This is True Capitalist Radio.
True Capitalist Radio.
I am your host, the man they call Ghost.
The badass of business.
Give him capitalism or give him death.
That's it. Period.
Broadcasting from his Skyline office studios in beautiful downtown Austin, Texas.
You sound fruitier than a box of Fruit Loops, for Christ's sake.
And now, he'll take it from here. Your host, the prognosticator of prognosticators, the man they call
Ghost.
What's going on, folks? And thank you for tuning in with me to another edition of the True Capitalist Radio broadcast. And of course, I am your host, the man they call Ghost. And once again, folks, I want to thank you very much for tuning in with me. This is episode number 373. Episode number 373 for all the folks that are keeping track of the True Capitalist Radio broadcast. And of course, before we get into anything else, I'd like for everybody to please spread it around like wildfire and let everybody know that True Capitalist Radio is in effect and in the house. And we are live every Monday through Friday, 4 p.m. Central Standard Time, right here on the official website of the True Capitalist Radio broadcast. And it is blogtalkradio.com/ghost. That's blogtalkradio.com/ghost. And of course, if you haven't already done so, please follow me on Twitter, folks, all right? Especially you folks that are playing the markets in the mornings. I'm telling you, I'm giving away free money in the morning on Twitter. I'm literally giving away free money on Twitter. I mean, literally, with these stock plays, look, I don't even need to say anything. Just follow me on Twitter. You'll figure it out. Politics Ghost is the name to follow. All one word, no underscores. Politics Ghost is the name to follow, all right? Now, without any further ado, folks, it is Baller Friday. And for you folks that are just tuning in that don't understand Baller Friday, it is that time of the week when capitalists look back on the past week's plays, on the past week's profits, and bask in their success. Bask in the fact that they are doing whatever it takes to carve out their own destiny. Bask in the idea of achievement and what they've accomplished. That's why we call this Baller Friday, folks. And let me tell you, there's a lot of people tweeting at me, celebrating Baller Friday in their own way, folks. I strongly encourage you, celebrate with us, partake in whatever your vice is, whether it's a spirit libation, whether it's a whole pie and one fork, whether it's pizza, whatever the case might be, kick back with us. It's a Baller Friday, and you know what that means. Free format, baby! Free format edition of the True Capitalist Radio Show. But before we get in and start opening up the phone lines and start taking calls here, let's go ahead and get right to the market, shall we? And let me tell you, as I've been stating to everybody who's listening, if you are not following me on Twitter and you were, well, maybe if you're not playing the markets, maybe it doesn't make any difference to you, but if you are playing the markets, you are definitely getting the heads up on where in the hell you can get some liquidity. I'm telling you this right now. It is not a coinkydink that I am being followed by all kinds of investors now. I'm legit investors. I mean, serious business, people that are taking Learjets kind of people, because they know, all right? I mean, they don't even know who I am. They don't even need to know. They don't even need to listen to the show. The information that I'm tweeting out speaks for itself, and that's why I got investment bankers. I got all kinds of folk in the investment community following yours truly, and the reason is, baby, is because I know where the money's at, all right? I know where the money's at. Making money, baby, that's what I do. That's what I do. Now, first and foremost, folks, the market was on the upside as a whole all day. Lots of volatility, lots of places to make some plays here. Of course, the reason that we're seeing an increase in the markets is because earnings were fairly decent. In the banking sector, we saw a lot of earnings come out that kind of made investors feel funny in the pants. The earnings that really set it off was the J.P. Morgan earnings that were released before day's trading, and that pretty much set off the rally here this Friday, and that's why we see everything mostly in the green here. As the morning got started, and before the bell even rang, I was telling people to start looking, and look, when I say stocks to watch, I'm not saying, hey, go ahead, go buy them. I'm saying watch them, look for a dip, and when there's a dip, try to get in on that dip. You know, no one can ever tell when the exact bottom of the dip is. The whole objective in trading in a very short term is the ability to be able to ride the dip, get the dip at a certain point, get in there, ride it, and then ride that wave. And what makes a smart capitalist and a smart investor a smart capitalist and a smart investor is when to jump off the surfboard on that wave and cash in for whatever profits you have. And as you can see, folks, you can take a look at any of these stocks here, and let's go ahead and start talking about some of them here. If you want to see what I was thinking about, see what I was talking about this morning, if you happen to have been following me on Twitter, all right? There's a bunch of stocks that I suggested. I'm only going to go through a few because I think that analyzing these stock charts is definitely something to consider. Now, first one I wanted to discuss is Ruby Tuesday. Ruby Tuesday, believe it or not, had some decent positive news come out of the particular restaurant, and it had some decent post-earnings coverage, so on and so forth. A lot of things fueling this. Regardless, I saw it jumping in the pre-market, and if it's going to jump in the pre-market, then there's obviously going to be some action in here. So it was a stock to watch. I saw it dip right away as the initial bell rang, per se, and you could have got in on this for a good 10 to 15 minutes at a decent rate here. If you don't know if you see the chart, the symbol for this is RT. Symbol RT. I don't know if you're watching this chart here. There was a good 15 minutes, possibly into 20 minutes, where you could have picked this stock up and been able to ride that first initial wave. You know what I'm saying? And as you can see, there wasn't too much volatility outside the peak, which was at about a little after 11, maybe a little bit before 11, I should say. I got out somewhere around there, and I was waiting for another hike. I was waiting for another peak to come up. Never showed up. I knew it was dipping. If you were one to buy in at that particular time, you probably had to cash out anywhere around 2, because as you can see, we went back to these heights in percentage gains to where you can make it decently profitable. And the reason it was a decent play, folks, is because Ruby Tuesday, it was about on the open about $3. You'd be lucky if you would have got it at $3 on the open, but that was the day's low. And at that rate, at that share price, I'm trying to look for plays for independent individual investors who don't have a lot of money, who have about maybe $500, $200 in their brokerage accounts, and they want to be able to make these plays on small, low-price stocks so that they can be able to accumulate a large quantity of them. You know what I'm saying? Like, for instance, let's take, for instance, this share, Ruby Tuesday, for instance. Let's say in the morning, okay, you know, for the sake of argument, you bought 1,000 of these shares. Obviously, it's going to be about $3,000 and change. So you got 1,000 of them, right? So for every penny, it's going to go up $10. All right. All right. Now you see what I'm saying here? Now the objective is to hold those shares, hold those 1,000 shares, and try to get as much profit as you can before it starts dipping downward, and then getting the hell out of there and then moving on to the next stock. Now, folks, this was not one of these shares where you could have just gone in and out of all day. As you can see on the chart, not too much volatility, you know, but it was something that you could have profited on this morning if you would have got in on it. As you can see, that gradual rise to the top there, anywhere between 10 a.m. to about 11 a.m., you were making some money. If you would have got in on this, you made some money. Now, I want to go on to another share that I suggested here, and I want to talk about this one because this was a very, very interesting play here. Advanced Microsystems was up on the upside in pre-morning trading, and I believe it was after the announcement of certain partnerships in relation to virtual reality content. There's a bunch of news that was basically fueling the increase in AMD, that this is symbol AMD. Now, this was, of course, an early morning play. I don't know if you see the chart on this particular one here. It was definitely an early mornings play. It dipped very generously right before 10 a.m., and if you would have been able to get in on that particular dip right there, you could have made some serious money. Now, I fortunately enough got in somewhere around this particular dip, obviously not at the bottom. Rode that particular, when it started reaching anywhere around $7, I got the hell out of there. And I anticipated a dip as we started approaching here. I even announced it on the Twitter account. And you would have been able to make a little bit of money on the next wave, but these waves are very short, very choppy. And the reason is, folks, is because there was a lot of people trading this freaking stock, man. I mean, it was like, the last I abandoned this stock after the last peak, which was a little before 11 a.m. I abandoned ship on this stock, didn't even want to cover it anymore, and the reason was because of the amount of volume of stocks being traded. I mean, it was like, when I left it was like 50 million share volume on this stock. That means at the time, I know it was a lot more than that by the end of the day's trading, but by the time I got out of it, 50 million of these shares had been traded, for Christ's sake. So when you see, and I said this yesterday, that kind of volume, you're going to tend to see a lot of retention, Now, of course, there's an opposite to that there could be too little volume and too little action in general that can make a stock stagnant all damn day. So you got to look and pick your poison, and moreover, you got to be able to get in on some of these dips and then ride the waves and then get out. All right? I mean, this is you just got to do what you have to do, man. I mean, this is why I try to tell people. Now, last one I want to cover here, I could cover a couple of more that I did, but I just want to cover these because these were early morning plays that could have been easily taken by anybody, because I talked about these shares as stocks to watch prior to the day's trading. Before the day's trading even decided, before the bell rang. This is Enzo Biochemical Incorporation, symbol ENZ, folks. Oh, man. Let me tell you, if you would have gotten in on any of these dips and peaks and valleys in the morning, you would have made some serious, serious money. And let me tell you, yours truly generated generous profits as it relates to this. Look at the chart in the morning on this son of a bitch, all right? We started seeing some action in the pre-market on this particular stock. That's why I decided to go ahead and look at it as a stock to watch. Abnormal amounts of volume on this one in the pre-market, and if investors are making a genuine effort to get it in the pre-market, someone knows something. They're already setting a price to either they're long-term investors or they know something that's going to happen during the day. Something. Anyway, folks, ENZ, symbol ENZ, take a look at that chart right in the morning. You see what I'm saying about morning plays, folks? Look at that. You could have got in and out of there 2 or 3 different times and made some serious damn money. Anywhere from when the bell rang to about 10:30, all right, to about 10:30, you could have made some serious money. And even in the 10:30 to about 10:45 dip, you could have still made some money. You just wouldn't have made as much money and would have remained stagnant there until about a little after 1 p.m. where it took a big dip. And look, I stopped covering that. You see, when there's no action and there's no volatility, if I can't ride dips and get in on dips and ride waves, I don't even bother with the stock. I just keep going because I'm trying to find liquidity as an investor. I mean, that's what I do. I try to find liquidity, try to find money out there. But if you would have still been covering this stock, there was a big dip right after 1 p.m., and if you would have got in there, you would have rode it and probably got at least about 8 cents on every share. 8 cents on every share. Once again, Enzo Biochemical was a very, low price stock. Once again, the opening and the day's low was about $5.21. And let me tell you, if you would have got in the morning on that and just rode it, and even if you would have just kept the damn share up until right now, I mean, you would have made some money. You'd have made profits. Anyway, folks, I just wanted to go over those particular shares and make you understand the idea of how to make plays during the morning time, okay? What you do is you read news, you read analysts, because there's analysts from every financial institutions that are supposed to be investor experts that grade these stocks. And believe it or not, whenever you have an upgrade to a stock, it tends to draw some attention to investors. So, I mean, it's a stock to watch. It's not something you should just go into. You base your play on how the investors are initially reacting. And this is where tools become very, very important. You need to, if you're an investor and you want to be ahead on the game, you need to have tools to make you see in real time the actual trades that are being taken place in real time and how many are being taken place in the frequency they're taking place and how many shares are being acquired and sold on a consistent basis. This will also tell you a lot about the investors that are coming to the stock in general. This will tell you if they're doing hundreds, $100 blocks, 100 share, 500 share blocks. You better well know there's a lot of day trader sharks, short-term sharks in that. If you see a lot of people going in at 50,000, 10,000 blocks, those are going to be the more sustained gains for the day because that means certain investors, whether it be mutual funds, hedge funds, are going in on this for the long term. So that's a way to look at whether or not you're going to make a play on something that is either making news, and of course, if anything has good earnings, that's going to go ahead and bolster up the market. There's a lot of ways to make plays, folks, all right? Lots of ways to make plays out here, and that's why I'm trying to encourage everybody to do so. And the stocks that I'm suggesting are basically, the reason I'm researching these is because I want small investors that only have $500 or $1,000 in their brokerage account to be able to make liquid. I mean, if you were to be able to play this game, that's why I was trying to tell people how to analyze these charts here. If you were to play these games and just would have bought in the morning on ENZ, all right, and we just bought in the morning, just held on to it for a little bit, you would have made serious money. I mean, the ENZ, what was it? It was like, in the morning, what was it? 521, anywhere from 521 to 5 1/4. All right? 521 to 5 1/4, hell, even 530. If you would have got in on any of those prices, you would have been up on your money big time, baby. Well, that's what I'm saying. I mean, this is what everybody should be doing. All right, this is what the people on Wall Street are doing. Why can't you do it? The only thing that separates you from the people on Wall Street is, first of all, the access to money, because a lot of these folks on Wall Street, that's not their money. All right, that's people's retirements that they're just playing with. And that's why they think they're so freaking big experts in stocks. I mean, it's a very few people that actually put their money where their mouth is, for Christ's sake, man. And that's what separates you from those that are actually doing it, is that they actually take the initiative, all right? Go and just check out, hey, maybe I can do it. Maybe I can. You got to have the balls, first of all, and then once you have the balls to do it, you got to have the know-how. You got to have the knowledge. And I'm trying to teach everybody, man, you can do this. I've actually got people, folks, that and look, they never thought in their lives that they'd be investing. And they're investing now because I'm suggesting the plays, because they're understanding how to read charts. They understand how to maintain liquid, all right, as it remains, or fine liquid, I should say, as it remains to volatile stocks. And this is what everybody should be going after here, all right? Especially in this economy, you should be figuring out every type of capacity necessary to make capital, to make money. Anyway, those are the stocks. I know I suggested a couple of more. I don't want to spend the whole damn hour on the stocks I suggested. I'm just giving you insight on how exactly I was able to make these plays and be so accurate as it relates to these particular stocks. Now, there are other strategies, of course, folks, all right, but these are the ones that I'm just telling you on these stocks. That's why I decided to say, hey, watch these. There could be some plays on these. And as I've stated, folks, the trick is to get in on the dip, and you're never, you'll be lucky. I mean, you're a lucky bastard if you get at the very, very bottom of the dip. But you can get somewhere on the dip and then ride that wave. And what separates the smart capitalist from those that are not are your ability to get out at the right time. You know what I'm saying? And now, look, let's say you're kind of scared and you don't know whether to get out. You know what I mean? The stock's going high and you're getting a little greedy. You know what I mean? You see, that's the worst. That's the worst instinct that you should have in going into the investment game, getting greedy. Looking at a stock going up and saying, you know what, I'm just going to keep it in there. You never know. It's gonna go up, dude. I know it. I mean, that's literally the bad mindset. You need to take whatever liquid you got and get out. You can always move into another stock. I mean, there are so many shares out there in the stock market, so much liquid, you just got to go out and you got to find it, baby. You understand? You just got to go out and you got to find it. Anyway, let me get to the markets here, and let's move on with the rest of the broadcast, folks. Anyway, I want to congratulate those that actually took advantage of these plays. There's a lot of people that tweeted at me saying, hey, thank you very much. I actually got some liquid. I didn't realize how easy it was. It's this easy. I'm not kidding around. You just got to go out there and you got to take it. You got to do it. As I've always said, folks, capitalists go out and they make things happen. They make things happen. They don't just sit there and wait for things to happen. Okay, look, let's just say for the sake of argument, you're one of these apprehensive types. Why don't you go to the letter U, stocktrade.com, and why don't you try their stock simulator? All right, free. You don't even need to know how. I mean, just see how you are. And you know what's gonna happen? You're going to be so good at picking these stocks because you're listening to this broadcast, all right? This broadcast, that you're going to be kicking yourself in the ass for not at least putting in about $500 into a damn investment account and actually capitalizing to some extent. I'm not joking around. I'm not joking around. Anyway, let's get to the market overview, folks, okay? We've got the Dow Jones Industrials. It was up 100 points plus. Of course, it settled its ass down, I think, right after Janet Yellen made her much-to-do about nothing speech, to be honest with you, which kind of spooked the investors. Because, once again, what I'm finding is that investors have to be told in, baby talk what exactly is going to happen. They don't understand how to interpret these economists speak. You know what I mean? So this is literally what happened. That's why you saw a little bit of a calm down in this rally that was literally a huge rally in the morning up until Janet Yellen decided. And literally, she didn't really say much of anything, to be honest with you. That's why these idiots, they didn't want to turn this market into the red, obviously. There was a lot of retention on it going back down beyond about 40 points of the Dow, plus 40 points of the Dow. But you could tell there's still a lot of apprehension. They don't know what the hell's going on. They know that this gravy train's going to come to an end. This, low interest rate, cheap money crap, it's going to come to an end. They know it. I think everybody knows it. And that's why everybody's playing it a little bit helter-skelter, to say the least, man. Anyway, Dow Jones Industrials still closed up on the upside, 39.44 points. A percentage increase of 0.22%, closing out the Dow Jones Industrials at 18,138.38 points for the Dow Jones Industrial. We've got the S&P 500. It is up very modestly today, only up 0.43 points, a percentage increase of 0.02%, closing out the S&P at 2,132.98 points for the S&P 500. NASDAQ was also up very modestly today. Even though all these indexes were flying high in the morning, All these indexes were flying high in the morning, and then, Janet Yellen had to open up her fat mouth. I mean, hey, Yellen, look. You could have said something that could have tickled these investors in the pants, all right? Freaking bookworm economist jerk dicks. Anyway, look, NASDAQ was up modestly, all right, 0.83 points, a percentage increase of 0.02%, closing out the NASDAQ at 5,214.16 points for the NASDAQ composite, folks. Let's get to the commodities, shall we? Because, once again, the commodities prices are going to tell you that these damn investors don't know where the hell to put their money. All right, I mean, there's a run on this dollar. A lot of European fear, to say the least, with the British pound sterling sliding out there in Britannia. A lot of uncertainty going on with the Deutsche Bank situation with the EU. So you got a lot of these European investors taking profits and wanting to be paid in American dollars. And this run on the American dollar is, it's taking its toll on those that are looking to profit. I mean, I'm serious. It's taking its toll. But let's continue going, all right? Because just the reflection of these commodities shows you that these investors really don't know what the hell they're doing out here. They really don't. Now, oil is slipping modestly today. WTI sweet crude was down 12 cents, a percentage decrease of 0.24% decrease on the day, closing out WTI at $50.32 per barrel of WTI sweet crude. Brent crude oil, which is the oil that's consumed by Europe, it is down modestly, a penny, percentage decrease of 0.02% on the day, closing out Brent crude at $52.02 per barrel of oil. And you see these decreases in the energy sector, right? And then what? Gasoline is up 1.03%. I mean, what kind of sense does that make? I mean, that's what I'm telling you, man. These freaking investors don't know their asses from their elbow, man. I mean, look, I profited today. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm not pissed. It's just when I see the lack of fundamentals in the investment community. I mean, in an industry where the people that are supposed to be running this son of a bitch are supposed to be at least competent enough to partake in it. To see these kinds of anomalies just goes to show you that these investors don't know their ass from their elbow, man. It's frustrating. I mean, here I am. I'm just an independent investor. You know what I'm saying? I'm just an independent investor out here, and if I can see this, I mean, give me a freaking break. Good God. Anyway, folks, gasoline, once again, up. I don't know why, but it's up 1.03% on the day. We got natural gas selling off, folks. We saw some dramatic increases in the past few weeks in natural gas. A little bit of a sell-off today, to say the least. It is down 1.71% decrease on the day. And heating oil has decreased itself modestly again today. It is down 0.73% decrease on the day. 0.73% decrease for natural gas, or excuse me, heating oil. My apologies, heating oil. Now, let me get to the metals, shall we? The metals! Let's get to the goddamn metals! I mean, what can I say about what's going on in the metals? I mean, the run of the dollar is obviously, putting a freaking turd in the punch bowl in the metals department. But at the same time, folks, not only is the run of the dollar creating a scarcity on all the tender notes outstanding currently, but if the Federal Reserve decides to raise interest rates on top of the run on the dollar, I mean, the scarcity of the dollar is going to be that much higher, and the value of it is going to be that much higher. So you have a lot of people betting that the dollar is going to reign supreme just based on the continued degradation of the freaking metal sector. I'm serious. All right? I mean, take a look at gold. It is down today, $5.90, a percentage decrease of 0.47%, closing out gold at $1,251.70 per per troy ounce of gold. That's $1,251.70 per troy ounce of gold. Jesus Christ. Let's get to silver, shall we? It was down modestly, old silver. It was down 4 cents, a percentage decrease of 0.22%. All right, closing out silver at $17.42 per troy ounce of silver. Copper was also down modestly today, was down 0.78%, and platinum, it is also down today, 0.16% decrease on the day for platinum. Now let's go ahead and get to agriculture, shall we? Because as I've been stating, folks, I even think I saw that grains were at all-time highs all of a sudden on the drudgereport.com. Now, look, I had been saying this, and I've been saying ever since the damn crop report that these crops, especially oats, wheat, and rice, all right, and not to mention, I was mentioning that for whatever reason, there's a humongous explosion for soybean, and I believe Japan has a lot to do with that. So literally, the grain increase in price is being reflected so much, it's even showing up in elements of pop culture news. So it just goes to show you, people are seeing what's going on. Let's get to corn, okay? Corn is up 1.36% on the day for corn, all right? We've got wheat. I'm telling you, I hope that you all got in on this wheat situation via ETF or a producer. All right, wheat is up 1.20% increase on the day. Oats continues its rise. I mean, you better not like oatmeal because it is, I mean, I've never seen prices like this before in my life. It is up again, 1.53% increase on the day for oats. Rice, on the other hand, you saw a modest sell-off. It was down 0.68% on the day. Soybean was up modestly, 0.65% on the day. Soybean oil, I mean, good God, I wish I would have made this play. I mean, look at soybean oil up 3%. Up 3%. Good God, man. Oh, I mean, I wonder if any of our commodities friends made money on this one, man. I'm serious. All right, I'm not joking around. I mean, oh man, and canola also continues its increase. All right, it is up 1.54% increase on the day. Let's get to the soft, shall we? Coca-Cola, the base for chocolate, is up 0.82%, and coffee. Yeah, man, just don't talk to me. Just don't talk to me unless I have my coffee. All right, just don't talk to me. Shut up! Anyway, it is up today, 1.77%. So enjoy for all you people that are still paying $10 a freaking cup of coffee at, Starbucks or whatever the hell it's called. Anyway, we've got sugar. Sugar is continuous. I mean, people are selling off. I mean, you couldn't have sustained these high prices, even with the potential shrinkage in supply related to natural disasters in sugar-producing countries. You weren't going to be able to continue to sustain these like all-time 4-year, 6-year highs. Modest decrease, though, today, down 0.04% decrease on the day for sugar. And OJ continues its decrease because, as I've stated, folks, the OJ traders, the orange juice commodities traders, they're waiting for the next contract. I mean, I think that's what everybody's prepping for. This is literally the contract that's being traded now. It ends November 2016. The new orange juice future contracts after that are going to be highly valuable. They're going to be highly scarce. All right, this is the lowest production in orange juice that we've had in, 36 years? And this was out of Bloomberg News. So I think that there is a play to be had once the contract of the current futures of OJ are pretty much fulfilled after November 2016. When those new contracts are put on the floor of the CME exchange, that's when you're going to start seeing some dramatic increases in OJ. So in my personal opinion, the way to play this, because I'm telling you, to play commodities futures is a very expensive game. ETF, and try to research any ETFs that play this particular commodity sector, that plays the softs, and you want to take a look at the prospectus of your ETF. What softs do they play? Do they play OJ? Do they play do they play chocolate? Do they play coffee? Do they play sugar? Or do they play OJ sugar and coffee? I mean, these are the kinds of plays that you want to look for in your prospectus and when you're researching an ETF, because I think that OJ is poised to make some major gains because of the scarcity and supply, and that's how you play commodities, folks. And, of course, producers as well. Research your producers, all right? Just because somebody produces orange juice doesn't necessarily mean they're going to profit off the scarcity. You got to take a look at their balance sheets and make sure that the crop loss that they have endured isn't affecting their bottom line, because even if they increase the price of whatever stock they have left, doesn't necessarily mean they're going to be profitable. But then again, you could come across the one producer, and this is why doing your research on these types of things are very important. You could come to that one producer, you know what I mean, that literally has the majority of supply, and the majority of his crops was okay, and they're a publicly traded company. You'd make a move on those, all right? I mean, that's all I'm saying. I'm just trying to give you opportunities here, all right? I'm planting seeds here. All right? I'm just trying to spark synapses in the minds of capitalists, all right? Once again, once the orange juice contract of November 2016 is fulfilled, the next contract is going to be very, very valuable, all right? Anyway, we got cotton. Let's get to cotton, shall we? It is up 1.82% increase on the day. Lumber is continuous. It's continuing its downfall. I don't know why it was up for so many consecutive days to begin with, but it is down 1.40% decrease, 1.40% decrease for lumber. Rubber was up modestly, 0.60%, and ethanol was up 1.15% increase on the day. Now, here we go, livestock. One of the trickiest goddamn commodities in the damn commodities trading game at this point in time, all right? And let me explain. We've been seeing nothing but decreases in the damn livestock, right? There's nothing. I mean, I'm talking about live cattle and cattle feeder. Well, lo and behold, you got live cattle up today, 1.33% increase on the day, okay? Cattle feeder. Now, all of a sudden, these goddamn commodities traders on the CME exchange started to realize that, hey, if the grains are going up in the commodities, that's actually going to affect the price of cattle feeder. So, yeah, the price may go up. Jesus Christ. Anyway, cattle feeder is up 0.72%. But good God, man, did you see lean hog, the crash in lean hog today? I mean, it's National Pork Month. It's National Pork Month, for Christ's sake. I mean, is everybody turning freaking kosher? Is everybody turning Mohammed, Allah snack bar? I mean, what's going on here? What's going on with lean hogs? Good God. Lean hogs are down 4.41% on the day. I mean, Jesus. You see, it's crap like that proves, all right, that proves that this goddamn investment community doesn't know their ass from their elbow. Jesus Christ, I'm telling you, is everybody turning kosher? Is everybody turning Allah snack bar? Is everybody turning a little fruity-ass vegan? Oh, good God, man. I mean, how about a ham sandwich? Good God. How about a ham sandwich? Give me the damn mic. Give me the mic, for Christ's sake, man. Anyway, folks, lean hogs down 4.41% because the freaking investors don't know their ass from their elbow. Anyway, that, my friends, is the markets for your ass, all right? And I hope that you are enjoying this Baller Friday with me, folks. As a matter of fact, let me go ahead and get some beer here, all right? Let's get some more beer! Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Hopefully everybody is enjoying their Baller Friday. I know I am, folks. So since we're already done with the markets, let's go ahead and get to some Twitter shout-outs here early in the broadcast. Since I'm kind of feeling in a good mood, profited generously today, celebrating Baller Friday and having a Baller Friday broadcast. Nothing better in life. You understand what I'm saying? Anyway, folks, let's go ahead and get some Twitter shout-outs going on. If you want a Twitter shout-out, all you got to do is retweet the first tweet on my Twitter account. And the tweet to retweet is True Capitalist Radio Live. True Capitalist Radio Live. You retweet that tweet, I will give you a shout-out live right here on the broadcast, right here and now. Hey, engineer, do we have any Twitter shout-outs to be had out here? Well, all right. Well, let's go ahead and get to some Twitter shout-outs right now. All right, who we got here? We got Snow White in the house. How you doing? We got Jeff the Chef. How you doing, Jeff the Chef? We got Tap Keck in the house. How you doing? We got the Green Leader in the place. What's going on here on this Baller Friday? We got Skellington. What's going on to Skellington? We got the Brony Network in the house. Who else do we have here, for Christ's sake? We got a lot of people. CDI fan in the house. How you doing, man? We got Feral Capitalist. All right, we've got Lugan Press. How you doing, man? We got Jimmy Capitalist in the house, folks. What's going on? I'm telling you, lots of Inner Circle represented. How you doing, man? Who else do we have here? We got. I'm not saying that disgusting name, for Christ's sake. Casey Ghostat. Don't even. You know what? Don't even look. I'm going to talk about that bastard a little bit. All right? Don't even compare me with that wannabe hipster, disgusting, despicable liberal fraud. Do not compare me to that son of a bitch. Jesus Christ, man. We got Trump and Capitalist in the house. How you doing, man? We got Metroid Junkie in the place. How you doing? We got all kinds of people in the place, man. What's going on? We got the G-Man. What's going on to the G-Man? We've got, I'm not saying that disgusting name, Assange first, Trump next. What the hell does that mean, you sick son of a bitch? Wouldn't be surprised if you're a paid troll by the goddamn Hillary Clinton campaign, boy. Given the fact all the unearthed WikiLeaks emails points to that. Remember, you all used to say that I was just, falling off my rocker. You all used to say I was going cuckoo. And look at those emails, huh? I prognosticated everything in those emails that are coming out months ago. And if you don't believe me, go back in the archive, blogtalkradio.com/ghost. All right? I mean, take a look at the archive. I prognosticated all this crap. Anyway, folks, we've got NRJ Commando in the place. What's going on? We've got Young Capitalist in the place. We got Pro Honky. What's going on, Pro Honky? We got Swabian Capitalist. We've got Czech Capitalist in the place. Who else? Quitesh Productions. Who else do we got going on over here? Once again, retweet the first tweet on the Twitter account. We got Cam the Man. We got Manhood Magic in the place. Ghost Granny Porn Star. Shut up, you stupid moron. My mom touched Ghost's gun. I mean, shut up, all right? Just shut up with that stuff. Shut up. Jesus Christ, man. We got 3 hours, 2 cucks, 0 talent. You son of a... I guess you're talking, son of a bitch. You son of a bitch, stupid dumbass troll, man. I guarantee you wouldn't say that to me in a goddamn bar room, boy. Jesus, I guarantee you wouldn't say that to me in my goddamn face. Talking all that garbage over the internet, boy, but you wouldn't say that to my face, boy. Give me the freaking mic. Give me the mic. Give me the goddamn mic. You wouldn't say that to my goddamn face. See, that's what I'm saying to you goddamn trolls, man. Y'all talk a lot of, you run your gators out here on the damn internet. You know what I mean? It's real easy to run your damn gator on the internet, but boy, I saw you face to face. You'd shut your goddamn little fruit bowl mouth real quick, boy. You'd shut your goddamn little stupid little fruit bowl looking mouth. Anyway, we got Caleb the Capitalist. What's going on? We got BronyCon ticket for $1,999. I could not believe that. BronyCon for $2,000. I mean, come on, man, that's stupid. Anyway, we got Sergeant Yoda in the place. What's going on with Sergeant Yoda? We got Collect Call in the house. Who else do we have here? Once again, we got Twitter shout-outs going on. You just got to retweet the first tweet on my Twitter account. The tweet to retweet is True Capitalist Radio Live. Baby, that's all you got to do. Retweet. I'll give you a shout-out. We got Ghostler Youth. That's right. Hail Ghostler. Hail Ghostler. Hail Ghostler. Who else do we got? We got Sahan Hajazad. How you doing, man? Who else do we got? We got 3 hours wasted time. Why are you always listening, boy? Why are you always listening? We got an OG Toru in the house. More fuel for ADL. All right, just shut up, all right? Just shut up. All right? Just shut up. We got Ed Plus in the house. We've got, I'm not saying that disgusting name for Christ's sake, Red River Turkey Shoot. Yeah, shut up, turkey tits, all right? You pickled prick. Don't be talking garbage about UT, all right? I'm not happy with Charlie Strong, all right? Who else do we have here? We got Silent Capitalist. How you doing, man? Artron Havoc. We got Ghostin' SS. Look, don't make jokes about that, all right? Don't compare me with the Waffen SX or something. I mean, do not do that, all right? I've just assumed command of the meme wars, all right? And since I've assumed command, have you seen what has happened? People are going out to the streets. They are creating real-world memes, for Christ's sake, boy, and that's what we got to do. We got to throw it in the faces of everybody. We got to throw it in the faces of the simpletons out here. It is the meme war, for Christ's sake. We got to penetrate the minds of the simpletons. We got to penetrate the minds of these idiots that are voting for this goddamn corrupt, criminal Clinton crime family that is correlated with the damn Bush crime family. And let me tell you something, both of these sons of bitch crime families have corrupted both parties. Both parties, the Republican Party and the Democratic Party, are one in the same. And each day that more and more of these emails come out, you are going to start understanding this. That's why we have to get off the sidelines and get on the front lines, and the front lines are right outside our door. They are trying to do whatever it takes to derail the Trump train, and yet we continue steaming forward. We're not bought off out here. We don't want to be submitted as some subjects to some totalitarian bureaucracy. We don't want to be the serfs of an international bureaucratic institutionalist system that is unelected. We want to be free. We want to be individuals. We want to be capitalists. We want to be able to carve out our own destiny. We want to be able to embrace prosperity. We don't want to be subjected to any of these disgusting, despicable trade deals that benefit nobody but the multinational corporations, the international bureaucratic institutionalists, and of course, the international banking system. And that's why I'm saying, I have assumed command. I have assumed command, and it is time. It is time to make the meme wars into something that they have never seen in their life. We've got to take it to the digital fiber optic connected world that we call the internet. And we've got to rise. We've got to rise. I'm calling on all the meme warriors out there. You cannot let these criminals, these corrupt criminals in the damn Democratic Party stop us all. It is time. It is time. It is time to attack in a mimetic form. It is time. It is time, folks. Hail Ghostler! Hail Ghostler! Hail Ghostler! Jesus Christ. It's time. I can feel it, man. I mean, Jesus Christ, can't you feel the passion, for Christ's sake? Can't you feel the fury? Jesus Christ. Anyway, folks, let me calm down. I'm going to take a couple more Twitter shout-outs, and then I'm going to move on. We got Dirk Diggler in the house. What's going on to Dirk Diggler? We got Big Top Capitalist in the place. We got the MySpace Mexican. What's going on? We got Seedy Wheaties, Dorito Burrito in the house. It's the Nut Shack, whatever the hell that's supposed to mean. I don't know why you keep talking about the Nut Shack. Jesus Christ. Who else do we have here? We got Godzilla in the storm. Yeah, apparently there's some high winds out there in the Northwest to some extent. Good God. We got the Neon Knight in the house. We've got Wetworks for Ghost. Shut up, man. Don't even kid around about that shit. Excuse my French, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to curse, but don't even kid around about that, man, that Wetworks crap. Don't kid around about that. Son of a bitch. We got Operation Footsie Roll, whatever the hell that's supposed to mean. Hillary Wetworks for Ghosts. Look, I'm telling you, don't kid around about that, man. I mean, Podesta and some other goddamn bureaucratic Democrat bigwig were emailing each other this little KGB assassination term, Wetworks, during the time that Justice Scalia was found dead. So don't even kid around about that. I'm not joking around. Do not kid around. Good God, man. We got Randy Rhodes in Fuego, man. That's hard. Come on, man. Randy Rhodes in Fuego. Why would you even say something like that, man? That's horrible. And for you folks that don't know who Randy Rhodes is, Randy Rhodes was the guitarist when Ozzy Osbourne was a solo artist in the 80s, you know? When he made some of his, pretty good tunes like, wine is fine, but whiskey's quicker. Suicide is slow and liquor. Those songs. He wrote those songs, and, just to show you how rich Ozzy Osbourne was at the time, okay? Randy Rhodes and I guess Ozzy's assistant, which was a black woman at the time, I guess they were hanging out at Ozzy's pad, and Ozzy was just obviously loaded or something, or obviously not in his right frame of mind, because I don't know where they found that. You see, this is supposed to show you how much money there was in the 80s, okay? Ozzy Osbourne had a plane in his backyard, okay? And Randy Rhodes is like, hey, Ozzy, dude, I want to, let me fly your plane, dude. I want to fly the plane. I can do it, dude. And, Ozzy like, yeah, go ahead, fly the plane. I don't really care, That's just a plane, I don't really care, And, I mean, it's not funny, man, but, Randy Rhodes actually took this plane up that was parked in Ozzy's backyard and crashed it with the freaking Ozzy's assistant in it, for Christ's sake, man. So anyway, I'm just sorry. For you folks that don't know who Randy Rhodes is, that's why they're like, Randy Rhodes. I mean, come on, you stupid morons. That's horrible. All right? I mean, no wings for roads or something like that, or no wings on the roads or something. You see, now you've got me thinking like you idiots. Now you've got me thinking like you idiots. You people are sick. All right, let me calm down, folks. Look, I'm only going to take a couple of more of these Twitter shout-outs because I can already see where this is going. You're trying to ruin my Baller Friday. You're trying to ruin my day like you always do. And I don't understand why you sons of bitches take so much gratification in making my day a bad day. I don't get it. Anyway, we got marching on pole land. I mean, I get, /pole/land. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, we get it. Who else do we got here? We got, I'm not saying that disgusting name for Christ. Pony call suck, no lols. Oh, those are some fighting words, boy. Those are some fighting words there, boy. Trolls calling trolls there, boy. Oh, my God. Who is this? Who else we got here? Scalia first, Ghost next. Why are you idiots always want me dead? I'm serious. Why do you want me dead? I mean, I'm a melting pot of friendship, for Christ's sake, man. I'm a nice guy. God, man. We got Hans Gubensmith, for Christ's sake. We got Hugh Mungus. What's going on? We've got Spider-Man versus Ghost. Now, that wouldn't even be a contest, baby. I whooped Spider-Man's ass. All right? I mean, did you see the movies? I mean, could you get more cockery, huh? Could you get any more fruitier of a guy to play Spider-Man than, what was that asshole's name? I didn't forgot his name, so fruity. We got Mr. Bones in the house. What's going on? I'm only going to take a couple more, folks. I can see you people are trying to piss me off. I'm not going to let you do it. I'm not going to let you do it. We got TC Capitalist in the house. Ghost Conf. Jesus. Stop it! Just stop it! Stop making any correlation with what I'm doing with any of that stuff. Stop it now! Stop it now! Give me the mic. Stop it now. I'm not joking around. Stop it. G Waterworks for Self. You know what? That's it. All right, that's it. All right, I've had enough of this crap. No more Twitter shout-outs for you idiots, man. I can already see where you idiots are taking this, for Christ's sake. Good God. G Waterworks for Self. I mean, come on, man. I thought we got over that crap. Give me the freaking mic. Give me the freaking mic, man. I've had about enough. I'm not, this is why I'm telling you, folks, we can't have nice things out here. There's always going to be, these half-a-tard fruit bowls that are going to be out here ruining it for everybody. I mean, seriously, ruining it for everybody. So I can't believe you people. So you know what? I'm not going to continue these shout-outs. I'm going to continue on with the broadcast. This is a Baller Friday free-format edition of the True Capitalist Radio Show. I'm going to open up the lines here in just a couple of minutes. If you want to get in on the action, we're going to discuss anything you want to talk about here, folks. All right? I'm opening up the phone lines. 425-390-6146 is the number to call here. All right? 425-390-6146. Give us a call here. I want to hear from you. What do you want to talk about on this Baller Friday free format edition? We try to have a free format edition on every Baller Friday to try to give back to the folk. Well, try. I mean, I don't know, as you can see by the damn Twitter shout-outs, I don't know what the hell we're going to have here today, but I hope that these people take the goddamn show a little serious, or you know what, I'm out of here, all right? That's all, I'm not joking around. You keep this up, I am out of here, god damn it, I'm out of here! So anyway, folks, let's go ahead and let me take a drink of my beer here. We are now in the second hour of the True Capitalist Radio broadcast. And, of course, I am your host, the man they call Ghost. And once again, folks, I want to thank everybody for tuning in with me. Before we get started, I'd like for everybody to please spread it around, spread it around, spread it around like wildfire. And let everybody know that True Capitalist Radio is in effect and in the house, and we are live every Monday through Friday, 4 p.m. Central Standard Time, right here on the official website of the True Capitalist Radio Show. It is blogtalkradio.com/ghost. That's blogtalkradio.com/ghost. And that's where you're going to go get every episode that yours truly has ever conducted to download absolutely free, all right? And, of course, you've already heard goddamn Twitter shout-outs. If you haven't already done so, please follow me on Twitter. The Twitter name to follow, Politics Ghost, all one word, no underscores. Politics Ghost is the name to follow, all right? Anyway, folks, we're going to open up the phone lines here. I hope that everybody that has anything to say, something meaningful to say, all right? I mean, it's Baller Friday, for Christ's sake. Man, let me take a drink here. It's Baller Friday, folks, all right? Let's make it a decent show here. We're going to discuss anything you want to talk about, so let's go ahead and get to those phones. First of all, do we have any callers, engineer, that are even calling up? All right, well, let's go ahead and take some calls on this Baller Friday free format edition right now. All right, let's see who we have here. How about area code 541? You're on the horn. What's going on?
Hi, Ghost. Godzilla.
Hey, what's going on, Godzilla? How's it going? I understand you tweeted at me. You're in the middle of some kind of brewing storm, I understand?
Yes. Over here in most of Oregon and Washington, there's supposed to be a nasty storm. I think if you look on CNN.com, it's supposed to be up to like 100 miles per hour of wind. I'm actually getting out of the Portland metro area. That's where I live. I'm moving south with a friend of mine just for the weekend, just to avoid most of it.
Well, do you think that it potentially has a propensity for potential damage out there? I mean, it sounds serious. I mean, I'm on the news wires out here. I haven't heard anything about it. I mean, is it a tropical storm? What are they calling it?
They don't have a name for it. They just say that there's a possible hurricane weather coming about, and being Portland, it rains a lot. So I mean, there could be a lot of water coming up, and they say it's going to be about as bad as storm that happened in 1962, the Columbus storm, and I remember my grandpa told me a lot of stories about it, and they mentioned it had pretty significant damage.
Wow, man. Well, stay safe out there, Godzilla. Make sure to take your best guitar as well, man.
Yeah, I got all my gear with me, and I honestly don't know what to think. I mean, this is my first time in a big storm like this, but I'll keep you updated on Twitter and let everybody know that I'll be doing okay.
All right, hey, Godzilla, Godspeed, sir, and I hope that you can stay safe from that storm. I had no clue that there was an actual big, huge storm of that propensity headed towards the West Coast, especially the Northwest area. I mean, that just goes to show you something, huh? I mean, they're too busy putting up Gloria Allred with these fake, disgusting people claiming that they were sexually groped by Donald Trump. Let me tell you something. Tom, which is one of our good researchers here in the capitalist army, highlighted the fact that Gloria Allred was at the damn convention and she was a delegate for Hillary Rodham Clinton, for Christ's sake. Not to mention, folks, somebody else who was researching outside of our circle found out that one of these accusers is actually a secretary for the Clinton Foundation. I mean, how much more corruption, man? How much more criminality has to be thrown in people's faces before they start realizing that this is a disgusting, I mean, literally, I don't understand why the FBI, and look, I just tweeted a clip in which the FBI is literally going rogue against Comey. There are agents out there that are comparing Comey to a crooked cop. I'm telling you, I mean, there is a revolt in the FBI, and I personally believe that somebody in the FBI needs to start doing something. I think that there is a RICO case to be had here, all right? I think there is a RICO case to be had here for the Democratic Party, the Republican Party, the Clinton Foundation. I mean, there's a conspiracy of criminal organized crime here. I mean, they took away the Fifth Amendment to Sam Giancana for less crap than this. You understand this, right? You know the mobster Sam Giancana, the Chicago outfit? They literally created the RICO statute to take away his Fifth Amendment privileges just so that they could do this crap. That's the whole RICO statute. If they could prove that it's an organized crime conspiracy, they could prosecute all of you as one criminal outfit. And they could take away your Fifth Amendment privileges. Why isn't the RICO statute being implemented on the Democratic Party, on the Clinton Foundation, on the Clinton crime family, on the Bush crime family? Why? Why, for Christ's sake? I think there's ample enough evidence to be utilizing the RICO statute in this particular case here. Anyway, once again, I didn't mean to go off keister there, but once again, I'm telling you right now, this media is not for journalism. Just like Trump said here in a speech recently, they are not journalists anymore. Do not believe what you see on the television. They're outright liars. You understand that? These people are outright deceivers, liars, and as the WikiLeaks emails continue to come out, we can definitively link the media with the Democratic Party. I mean, the New York Times was literally going to Hillary Clinton to get her okay on stories that they were going to go out about her or go out against her opponents, so on and so forth, folks. I mean, this is the kind of collusion that this is. It's organized crime. It's organized crime. Don't you idiots understand that? It's organized crime. And yet, you've got fruity-ass liberal hipster YouTubers like this asshole Casey Neistat. Did you all see this, folks? If you all are not aware of Casey Neistat, he is this self-absorbed, pompous, looks like he's attempting to swallow his own face, disgusting individual who literally, decides that he's going to vlog himself at 40 years old riding a skateboard every day and thinks that people really give a crap. And it looks like people do. He gets about 1 million, 2 million hits each and every time he shits out a video. And it just goes to show you why I don't like YouTube, because it's literally, I don't know if there's a flicker rate going on or if they're doing something to the video, but it's definitely dumbing down the people that are partaking in viewing any of that content on that service, in my opinion. I mean, give me a break. But here you have Casey Neistat that came out here recently, did a YouTube video and said, I don't really like getting political, but this election is just too important. I am voting for Hillary Clinton, and I'm Casey Neistat. And, Hillary, she's just so much better, and, she's honest, and she's competent, and I think
that other YouTubers out there should literally go and make YouTube videos and promote Hillary Clinton and tell their listeners and their followers to comment and denounce anybody who's not being a Hillary Clinton supporter, because I'm Casey Neistat. I make videos and promote products that people are giving me payola for, okay? And you want to know why I sell myself as a genuine hipster that really doesn't, quote, give a crap about money? Because the dumbass American viewing public, or I should say the world public, doesn't know a goddamn thing. I'm Casey Neistat.
I mean, give me a break, man. I'm not joking around with this Casey Neistat. He's literally telling people to harass people that are not voting for Hillary Clinton, all right? I'm serious, for Christ's sake. Casey Neistat, for Christ's sake. So let me tell you something. If this asshole wants to partake in the meme wars, I mean, I am directing anyone who has any spare time, any troll terrorist, any cyber vermin, if you got some spare time, let's meme the crap out of Casey Neistat, all right? I mean, let's annoy this son of a bitch so much that he can't stand it, all right? I'm not joking. All right, meme this idiot. I mean, he's swallowing his own face. Have you seen his face, folks? When I first saw this guy, I thought somebody took a goddamn nice right hook to his freaking grill in his mouth and literally smashed in his face. You know what I mean? He's got one of the most disgusting-looking, swallowing his own face jerk dicks I've ever seen in my life. You know what I mean? I'm not joking around. I'm not kidding around. I mean, he's a disgusting, despicable character, and this idiot is actually claiming to be like some holier-than-thou liberal. Like, hey, look at me, I'm skateboarding at 40 years old. Look at me, dude. I'm skateboarding at 40 years old, so that makes me nice, and it makes me hip, dude. Even though, with all due respect, Neistat, I mean, I watched a few of your vlogs. That lady of yours that you just leave at home all day with the kid while you're out there, you know, living the YouTube fruit bowl life, she seems a little unhappy, Neistat. You know what I'm saying? I'd be careful if she brings around any black, quote, gay friends or any, quote, gay male friends. You know what I'm saying? Because I guarantee you that woman is getting the high. It's my opinion. I'm not. Maybe not. Maybe she loves you. But the eyes, they never lie, Chico. The eyes, they never lie, Chico. And every time I see you bring in this poor old lady of yours, all right, into the frame of your vlog, she just looks completely dejected. You know what I mean? She just looks like, oh, jeez. I mean, have you ever seen a Neistat video? Have you seen his chick? I mean, have you seen it? It's like, oh, jeez. I mean, every time she's around him, it's like, oh, jeez. And did you all see here recently when Neistat went on vacation with his wife, and his wife looked like she was having the greatest time of their life, even though, like, every bad thing was happening to them. They had lost their luggage. They had a layover for like 9 hours. They had to stay on a plane for like 5 hours. It was like everything that bad could happen to you in travel happened, and you could tell it was testing Neistat's fruit boldness. You could tell that he was a little pissed. You could tell that he was a little perturbed. And not only was he perturbed because of the whole layover and how they lost their luggage and all that, not only was he pissed off about that, he was pissed off that his wife was having a good time about it. I mean, she looked so happy, and I think that pissed off Neistat. Do y'all remember this, folks? Look back at their vacation. It happened maybe about 4 or 5 weeks ago. I mean, literally everything bad happened to Neistat, and the wife, she was glowing. I mean, she was happy, and Neistat asked her, well, why exactly are you so happy? And she's like, are you kidding? No baby, no cell phone, no BS. And I'm sure that cut Neistat in the heart. Because do y'all remember on that vlog he said that he was going to give up vlogging for a while? Do y'all remember that? Oh, that sounds like cuckery to me, boy. That sounds like cuckery to me. Look it up. Look up his vacation with his chick. All right? Look at how happy she is. Look at how happy she is. Look at how she's out there, and she's never looked so happy. You know what I mean? She's never looked so glowing, for Christ's sake. Look at that. I'm not joking. And then Neistat in that same vlog, he's like, you know what? I'm going to stop vlogging for a while. I don't know for how long, but I'm going to stop vlogging. And I thought that was going to be the end of Neistat, but of course, once the vacation was over, he was back to vlogging and doing his whole fruit bowl antics because, you know, he couldn't get over the, you know, payola that he's given, for Christ's sake. You know what I'm saying? Oh, my God. Anyway, look, literally meme this idiot, all right? I'm not joking around. Meme this moron because he deserves it. I mean, if he's going to sit here and direct not only his followers, but other YouTubers to direct their followers to harass people who are against Hillary Rotten Clinton, that's a whole new low. What a hypocrite. And everyone should be trolling this ass. As a matter of fact, you know what? Let's troll his ass now, all right? Let's go ahead and tweet at KC Neistat. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to tweet at anybody that, you know, you idiots come up with body pillows and all these stupid... I'm going to tweet at anybody that can come up with something decent, some decent shit posting, some decent gifts, something at this asshole, all right? I'm tweeting tweet at KC Neistat right now. All right, I'm not joking around. If you did, I will give you a Twitter shout-out. His Twitter address is KC Neistat. That's CASEYNEISTAT. KC Neistat. All right, I will give you a shout-out right now if you tweet at this son of a bitch and tell him what kind of a disgusting, despicable, ridiculous hypocrite that he is, for sitting there and literally embracing corruption, embracing criminality, for Christ's sake. He's a soulless liberal fraud. He's a soulless liberal fraud is what he is. Jesus Christ. Who else? I mean, are people tweeting at this guy? There's one guy. What's going on to East Coast Joe? At least he threw at least a vulgar word at him, for Christ's sake. Tweet at KC Neistat, you son of a bitch! God damn it! God damn it! I mean, hail Ghostler! Hail Ghostler! God damn it, hail Ghostler! Good God, man. All right, yeah, now people are saying, hypocritical cuckery. What's going on to Almerd Palm? I'm not saying that disgusting name. Oh, my God. What's going on to Wings for Roads? Oh, Jesus. Wings for Roads, asshole? Jesus Christ, man. Who else do we have here? What's going on to Trump and capitalists? All right? I mean, meme on this asshole. Look at Spooky J. What's going on? I'm not joking around. What's going on to Free Zord? I'm serious. Engineer makes... I'm not saying that disgusting name. What's going on to 727 caller? What's going on to Danny J? What's going on to Hoboken First? I'm not saying that. Shut up. I'm not saying that. Ghost has 10 sisters. What the hell? No, I don't, you idiot. Shut up. There's Ghost and SS. That's funny. We got the G-Man. What's going on? I'm not saying that, for Christ's sake. Hey, what's going on to Deplorable Mike? That's a great one, for Christ's sake. That's a great one. Let me retweet that one. Great one there, Deplorable Mike. That's what I'm saying, all right? That's what I'm talking about. The meme wars, baby, the meme wars. What's going on to Supa? Man, that's a horrible Nazi picture, all right? Free showers for trumping. And that's a horrible name, too. Free showers for... I mean, you trolls are disgusting, man. Good God. What's going on to Sidecack? All right? What's going on to the Ghostler Youth? The Neon Night now. What's going on? And let me tell you something. I guarantee you, I guarantee you, Casey Neistat, he's going to be like, oh my God, what is this? Oh my God, I can't believe it. Oh, I'm so triggered. What's going on to Jimmy Capitalist? What's going on to Nax Capitalist? Jesus Christ. What's going on to Skeleton? What's going on, Whip Texas Aggie? Yeah, we whip Texas Aggies for fun out here. I'll tell you that right now. Who else we got here? All right, I'm serious. Freaking tweet at this asshole. Tweet at this asshole. We got Wet Works for Florida. Wet Works for Florida, asshole. Come on, man. We got Super Sawyer. You know what I mean? Once again, Trump and Capitalist Novelty Best in the house. Jesus Christ. Sir Mantis Man in the house. What's going on to Baxter Chin? Caleb the Capitalist. Once again, I tell you, I know that Casey Neistat, he's looking at this like, what the hell's going on? I don't get it. We got Jack Cannell. Oh, shut up, you idiot. Q-Test Productions, Dirk Diggler in the house. Brony Panel at Ghost Con. No. We got windows and doors in the house. We're going on a boat. What's going on to Ghost X Keemstar? What the hell does that mean? What the hell does that mean? Jesus Christ. Who else do we have here? All right. We got, I'm not saying that disgusting name, for Christ's sake. Odd Eyes Magician in the house. We've got Shiny Pole. I'm not saying that disgusting name. Shut up! We got Brony Drumming in the house. Who else do we got? We got, look, Salvador Casablanca. Look, I'm serious, man. I'm serious. I mean, this son's a bitch. He's promoting harassment of Trump supporters, this son of a bitch. This guy, Casey Neistat, he's supporting harassment of Trump supporters, for Christ's sake. Charge! This is the meme wars. Charge! Charge! Hail Ghostler! Hail Ghostler! Hail Ghostler! These are the goddamn meme wars, for Christ's sake. What's going on to Raiden Snake? How you doing, man? What's going on to Laggett? What's going on to Capitalist Serpent? Who else do we got here? We got Hans Gubensmith. How you doing? I'm serious. What's going on to Venison? How you doing, Venison? Artron Havoc in the house. We got Mario is a Pimp. We got Leo in the place. We got the Green Bio in the house. What's going on to Popeye. Chris Hyde in the house. We're going to continue going. I'm not joking around, folks. We are. This idiot is telling people to harass people. He's telling people to harass Trump supporters. Casey Neistat, charge at this son of a bitch. Charge at this son of a bitch. He wants a meme war. He wants a meme war. He's got one. He's got one. Jesus Christ, man, he's got one. He's got one. Look at all these people. They're memeing on his head. We're on to the Teutonic Plague. You know what I'm saying? What's going on to the Canadian Palladian? You know what I'm saying? What's going on to Dark X Combine? What's going on to the Chefist? The Chefist in the house. Let me tell you something. Look at what the hell? What the hell is that about? What the hell is that? We got True Bennis Radio, whatever the hell that is. We got, what is this? What is this? We got, Jesus Christ, Yorkshire. What the hell is that? Come on, come on. Oh, man, I'm telling you. All right, that's about enough. All right, that's it. All right, I think he pretty much gets the goddamn point. All right. All right, I think he pretty much gets the goddamn point. No crap. Delete your account, Neistat. You sick, twisted son of a bitch. You are a moron. You are an idiot. You're gonna sit over here and try to besmirch. And then, look, it's one thing to besmirch the Trump train, but then you're going to sit over here and try to activate all these disgusting, despicable social justice warrior assholes on YouTube to harass Trump supporters? I mean, Jesus Christ, what a hypocrite! What a disgusting hypocrite this son of a bitch is. I'm not joking. You're a hypocrite, you swallow in your own face, liberal hipster asshole. I'm calling you out, Neistat. I'm calling your ass out. I mean, let me tell you, I think that, somebody needs to look into the amount of payola that you're getting for your goddamn blogs there, boy. I mean, they already went after the folks on Instagram for that. How come they haven't gone after Casey Neistat for that son of a bitch? Huh? I'm telling you, boy, you want a meme war? Casey Neistat, you want a meme war? You got it. You got it, you son of a bitch. You want a meme war? You got it. Hail Ghostler! Hail Ghostler! Hail Ghostler! Jesus Christ, man, I want to hear from you. I'm going to take your calls here, 425-390-6146. What the hell do you want to talk about? All right, what do you want to talk about? I want to hear from you. All right? What is it that you want to talk about? How about area code 309? You're on the horn. What's going on, 309?
I'm on the air. I'm on the air right now. Stop. Hey, Ghost, how you doing?
Hey, what's going on, man? How you doing?
I'm not doing too bad, man. I'm here with a couple of friends. We're having a couple of drinks on a baller Friday, man. I hope you're having a good day.
Man, I'm not having a bad day at all, man, especially after some of the action that I saw in today's trading. I hear that you are now starting to trade slowly but surely. Why don't you give us a 411 on that, sir?
Yeah, man. So, as you know, I've been practicing my trading on the eToro, but I actually threw some money into the stock market today, and I watched your plays on, I think it was Enzo or ENZ was the name for it. And I capitalized and made some liquid off it, man. So it's pretty good, and I'm really happy. And it looks like you know your shit as it comes to the markets, man. You know.
Oh, thank you, man. I mean, look, all you have to do is know where to find the liquid, and when you find it, grab it and try to put as much of it in your pocket as possible. I mean, that's the whole objective of short-term investing in that capacity, and that's why I'm trying to tell people, if this was down market, if the market was probably about 4,000 or 5,000 points behind what we're at now, I would advise people to potentially think about long-term investment in the blue chip sector. But right now, man, short-term investment is where it's at, and having cash on hand, it seems to me, is going to be very important in the next crash. So that's why you have a lot of people wanting to get paid in U.S. currency, especially out there in Europe, and of course out here in America and other precarious economies throughout the international community, man.
Yeah, man, it makes sense. I mean, like I say, I was practicing for about a week and a half there, and I was a bit brash today by throwing my money straight into the stock market because I hadn't actually practiced any day trading. I just practiced a couple of days. When I say day trading, I mean really short-term trading, because I put some money into natural gas and it made 40% in a couple of days, but I put my money straight in today and made that play on the Enzo stock and made liquid, like as I say. And it's not as difficult as people may try and make it seem. You know, it's just apply yourself and use a bit of knowledge, and you can make some money. You know, you can capitalize.
Absolutely, and be able to find where the dip is. I mean, you're never going to find the absolute bottom, but you want to be around it so that when the rave comes up and you see that wave, the objective is to be smart enough to either get out at a quick enough time or to stay in for a long enough time to capitalize as much as possible. Now, you know, that's the trick of being a successful capitalist from a capitalist who really knows how to make some big money. I mean, that's really what separates the capitalists from each other, is the ability to calculate when the dip is, capture the dip, and then ride that wave and then get out. I mean, that's really what creates the badass of capitalists, if you will.
Yeah, man, I agree completely when you're saying that. You know, you obviously have a lot of experience in the markets. Someone like myself obviously has just started, but it's a simple case of analysing what's going on. As you say, charts are for analysing, but you need to look at a lot of things in the real time. So, I mean, someone like myself, I can't make a lot of plays on one go because I need to think a lot more about it at one time. I can only maybe do one play at a go, or maybe two, but I mean, someone like yourself can obviously make 5 to 10 or however many, because you know how to do it, and you've got a lot of experience in the markets. But to anybody that's looking to have a go at it, I say, yeah, do it, and just listen to Ghost's advice on the show, read his tweets, and you'll make money. It's as simple as that.
Yeah, it really is, and I hope that people take advantage because, there's money to be made out there. You just got to go and grab it. You just got to go and grab it, man, and people need to understand that the only reason that you're not making money is because you're not going out there and trying. You got to go out there and try, man. If you're not going to try, how the hell do you know? You know what I mean?
Yeah, man, it's all about making that capital, no matter what way you make it, whether it's in the markets or through assets or whatever. It's all about making money. That's what life's about. That's what makes the world go round.
That's right, Jimmy, man. Hey, you want to give some shout-outs to some peeps, man?
Yeah, man, no problem. Thank you very much. I want to give a shout-out to yourself and the engineer, and I want to give a quick shout-out to Sergeant Joda, Benito Gostini, or Yorkshire Capitalist, 727 Caller, Trump and Capitalist, King Edward Undead, and Grim Capitalist, mate. And thank you very much. And if you don't mind, man, can I make a small song request, a song that you like, if you don't mind?
All right, what's that?
It's A Movela Colita, you know, the Mexican song that you like?
Oh, yeah, you like Movela Colita?
Oh, man, I love it, and it'd be brilliant for a Baller Friday to hear that song.
All right, well, you know what? Stay right there, Jimmy, because, I gotta put my four Lorico shoes on, all right? I mean, I'm going to put my four Lorico shoes on, and then we'll go ahead and do a little bit of a Baller Friday. A Movela Colita. So let me go ahead and put my damn Baller Friday shoes on here, and we're going to go ahead and do some Movela Colita for my boy Jimmy Capitalist over here, who just got into the markets out there in Northern Ireland and is kicking some ass, all right? And that's why I'm saying, the only thing stopping you from making capital is you, baby. You know what I'm saying? Once you got the balls to go and do it, then you got to apply the skills. You got to apply your ambition. You got to apply your creativity, your knowledge. That's what it's all about, all right? So, hey, engineer. Yes, sir. You wouldn't happen to still have Movela Colita in the soundboard there, do you? All right, well, go ahead and get that queued up. I'm putting on the four Lorico shoes, baby. It is Baller Friday! And I hope that you're having a great time, baby. You understand that? I hope that you're having a great time, because I sure as hell am, because after this, it's Miller time, baby! After this, it's Miller time! All right, the engineer's giving me some kind of a goddamn motion here. Are you ready to go here? Yes, sir. All right, here we go. Hey, whenever you're ready, engineer. Hey, wait, what are you doing? That's the wrong music, you good... Good God! Get it straight! I'm telling you, you're this close! You're this close from no longer being employed, for Christ's sake! Well, get it straight! I mean... Shut up! Good God, look, I'm sorry, folks. I don't know what the hell's up the engineer's ass, man. I don't know what's up his ass. Do you got the goddamn song or not? Well, then put it on and shut up! Yes, sir. Jesus Christ, man! Are you going to put it on or what? Jesus Christ. Sitting over here. Put it on!
Y ahora vamos todos a mover la colita.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. A Movela Colita. All right, I'm feeling it, baby. Yeah! A Movela Colita. A Movela Colita.
Y la mueve la ballena, la mueve en la selva. También la mueve mi perro para que...
A Movela Colita.
Hay que mover la colita.
Here, look, I'm stomping my feet. Listen, look. I'm stomping my feet. You hear me? my feet. I'm doing Fort Lorico. Yeah! Do y'all hear it? I'm stomping my feet. I'm doing Fort Lorico. Hey, let's get a round of drinks for everybody out here. Let's get a round of drinks for everybody. How about that? I want a round of margaritas. How about a round of margaritas? I'll tell you what, let's get a round of margaritas for everybody, and let's put it on G's tab. Let's put it on G's tab, baby. Yeah! Yeah! Here, listen to me. I'm stomping my feet. I'm doing Fort Lorico, yeah! Here, let's get another round of tequila shots, baby. Let's get a round of some añejo tequila shots. Put it on G's tab again, baby. Put it on G's tab. He's paying all night.
Mover la colita está de moda.
Woo! Hey, thanks for the drinks, G. One more round on G's tab. One more round on G's tab, baby. Woo! Yeah, mover la colita. All right, let me calm my ass down. Whoo! Did y'all hear me? I told you I could do Fort Lorico, baby. I mean, I'm hyped. I'm hyped for this Baller Friday, for heaven's sake, man. Oh, my God. Hopefully everybody appreciated the drinks that G got on his tab there. Yeah, I'm telling you. Anyway, cheers to everybody out there. Let me say cheers to the capitalist army, cheers to the Trump train, and cheers to the man that has sparked the revolution of the people and of the capitalists, and I'm talking about Donald Trump. Cheers to everybody out there. Cheers, baby. Ah. Oh, man, that's good stuff. Amovella Colita. Amovella Colita. Anyway, folks, my apologies here. I mean, I'm getting into the spirit of Baller Friday, for heaven's sake. That's what I'm doing. I'm getting into the spirit of Baller Friday. Can you feel it, baby? Woo! Anyway, let's see who else we got going on here. I want to hear from you. 425-390-6146 is the number to call. This is a free format edition of the True Capitalist Radio Show. Let's get back to the phone line, shall we? How about area code 619? You're on the horn. What's going on?
Hey, what's up, Ghost? It's Asho. It's Baller Friday. How are you doing today?
Hey, what's going on, Asho? Happy Baller Friday. My feelings are still a little hurt, Asho, that, you wanted the engineer's autograph more than mine, but other than that, I'm all right.
Nah, it's cool. You'll get over it. But anyways, I used to watch Casey Neistat, too. And I used to watch him just because of his cinematography. And you know how I do drone, and I do those drone films and stuff like that. Yeah, I used to capture a lot of what I used to see him as kind of like a role model, how he has his cool edits and stuff like that. But now I completely threw. I was one of the unsubscribers as soon as he said that about Hillary Clinton.
No, you know what? I can agree with you to that. I mean, the guy is talented as it relates to constructing his shots and then editing the sequence at a very, very rapid pace. I mean, the way he edits his particular vlogs is a very complex way of editing, and not to mention comprising all the independent shots in general so that it create a seamless kind of a blog, or vlog, I should say. But the problem is that he should not have even gone political. I think that what he's going to do is ruin his brand by trying to get political out here, especially when this idiot was trying to portray his particular vlog as a non-threatening, kind of a fun, whatever the hell he tried to describe it, vlog. But now this idiot is trying to go full-fledged social justice warrior. He's trying to get political, and I say if he wants to get political, and not to mention if he's calling out other YouTubers to tell their subscribers to harass Trump supporters, I think that it's open season on Casey Neistat, and the meme wars should go right towards his direction at full throttle.
Yeah, I saw that Philip DeFranco. I actually do watch him because I don't know. He doesn't really show his side. He doesn't need to show his side, so that's why I watch him. But he did highlight that Casey Neistat was like pretty much telling his audience, hey, you should go right at these YouTubers, these big YouTubers that are basically don't pick a side. I guess it's too. I mean, it doesn't matter if you pick a side. To be honest, actually, I don't even care about his political views. To be honest, I didn't even think about what political views he had until he told us what his political views were.
Well, I can't believe that he accumulated a fan base in a non-threatening, non-political capacity, and now that he's accumulated that fan base, he is utilizing it as a political weapon. And like I said, I think that he is open season as it relates to the meme wars, man. Open season. Hey, I don't know if you saw this, but Jimmy Capitalist said that he actually obtained the #1 card. He actually got the #1 autograph. He says that he's got it for sale for $1,000.
Oh, hey, to be honest, no, that's not the card you want to get. The card, the real card you want to get is number 11 because that's the one you have. So what I recommend people to do is print it out and hang it up.
You know what, asshole? Shove it up your ass. What are you trying to do? God damn it! You son of a bitch! This ain't no Mexican bootlegging operation over here. What the hell's your problem? What the hell's your problem telling people to bootleg up in this son of a bitch? What the hell's your problem, man? Jesus Christ! Oh my God! You know what? Give me the mic. I mean, come on, man! You're a son of a bitch, Ash. I can't believe you did that, man. I mean, are you back to your old ways now, huh? I mean, are you hanging out in these damn chat rooms? Are they getting to you now? They're like, hey, Asho, why don't you go? Why don't you troll Ghost again? Huh? We want you to. We'll love you. Yeah. I mean, come on, asshole. Damn it, man. I mean, the betrayal, man. The goddamn betrayal. I mean, not again. Not again. And you're goddamn right, I have the original number 11. All right, I'm keeping it. All right, it's mine. It's mine. Jesus Christ, the goddamn betrayal. You know what? I need some more beer. Get me more beer, for Christ's sake. Need some more beer. Oh, good God. Oh my God, man! I'm telling you, I can't believe Asho is trying to convince people to do some Mexican bootlegging kind of garbage, man. I mean, God damn you, man! God damn you, man! I thought you were my friend. I thought you were my friend. Jesus Christ. You know what, Asho? I don't think that you're Mexican. I think you're an Indian, all right? Because what you just did was Indian giving, man! Indian giving! God damn it! Goddamn Indian giving, man! Jesus Christ, man. I can't believe you people, man. I mean, that's my inner circle! That's my inner circle, man! Give me the mic. Give me the freaking mic, man. You see the betrayal, man? The goddamn betrayal! I don't know how much longer I could take any more of this crap, man. I'm serious, man. Oh, Jesus Christ. Give me my drink. Give me my drink! Oh, my God, man. Oh, Jesus Christ. And don't call me racist, asshole, because I said Indian given, all right? Don't call me racist. All right? Give me a break. I know how to do a chief slap-a-hoe rain dance, all right? I know how to do a chief slap-a-hoe rain dance. You understand that? I know Chief Slap-a-Hoe, all right? So don't talk garbage. Anyway, folks, Jesus Christ. I mean, I can't believe you people, man. I mean, it's my inner circle, man. I'm going to take another call here. I mean, I just... My inner circle, man. Jesus Christ, man. How about area code 615? You're on the horn on this Baller Friday.
Hey, Ghost, what do you recommend for concealed carry, and what's your opinion on, like, a Glock 26 or something like that?
Me personally, I like to pack a lot of small gats. I like to put a 25, like, around my ankle. I like to put a 38 snubby, like, right in my, like, back area, put it in, like, one of those holders, put it in my back area. If I was going to carry, like, big heat, I usually do so if I'm wearing a sports jacket or if I'm wearing a suit. And what I'll do is I like to carry, like, big-ass gun, man, like 45, man, you know what I'm saying? I'm not joking around. Put that right in my, why am I even talking about this? Anyway, look, all I'm saying is practice your First Amendment right, all right? But a 38 snubby ain't too bad. I mean, a 38 snubby can do some damage, all right? I mean, to be honest with you, that's what the mobsters used to carry around in their back area was the 38 snubby. They would just put it in somebody's head and then, off, they went into the netherworld. So, yeah, that's basically what I carry around out here. Now, as far as rifles are concerned, man, I got all kinds of rifles, man. I mean, I got, of course, the AK-47. All right, I mean, you got to have the classic revolutionary gun that can literally, I mean, you could literally bury this goddamn gun for like 10 years. All right, dig it up from under the dirt, put some oil on it, and the son of a bitch will start firing again. You know what I'm saying? Unbelievable. I like Macs, Mac 10s, Mac 11s. I got them both. Unbelievable guns. I like the Tech 9. I like the way it looks more than the way it fires. Anyway, why am I talking about my arsenal, for Christ's sake? That's the last thing I need is a visit by the ATF or some kind of crap like that, man. Anyway, let's go ahead and move on to a next caller here. Once again, this is a Baller Friday free format edition. We're taking your calls and talking about whatever the hell you want to talk about. Who else do we have going on over here? Hey, we got the Teutonic Plague in the house. What's going on, Teutonic?
Hey, Ghost. I'm going to be sipping on that Steel Reserve I sent you a picture of a bit later, probably during Radio Graffiti. But I prefer to attend to my business, the business being the majority of the broadcast sober, because when I'm drunk I tend to get a little and I tend to get a little trollish. But here's what I want to talk about, man.
All right.
I am a careless and unsophisticated bastard, apparently, because apparently I came by a certain phone number on the internet and confirmed on the white pages that it belonged to one Casey Neistat, and in my excitement, I guess I kind of dropped it on Twitter and took it down after 10 minutes and tweeted it to Kahuna Capitalist, and I guess he kind of DM'd it to you in his excitement, and you might want to, I don't know, look into that and do something about it. I mean, oops! Oops!
Yeah, all right, well, I'll tell you what. All right, we'll go ahead and do that, all right? Let me see if I can find where this phone number in question, and we'll go ahead and let's go ahead and call it, all right? We'll go ahead and see what's going on here, all right? We'll go ahead and do it. All right, and look, we're just calling because we want to ask a few questions. We're calling in a journalistic fashion, folks. Every time I call somebody up, I call in journalistic fashion asking a few questions. I mean, there's nothing wrong with a courtesy call asking a few questions. Nothing wrong with that. The press do it every single goddamn day, all right? Nothing wrong with that, all right? So let's go ahead and see if we can get somebody on the horn here, all right? And look, if it's his girl, I'm not going to mess with his girl. I feel actually bad for Casey Neistat's girl. You know what I mean? You can tell she's very unhappy, and you know she doesn't need to reap the brunt end of this idiot's stupidity. All right, so let's just see who gets on the horn here. We're just going to see. All right. Now what the hell was that? What the hell was that? Jesus, shut it off! Jesus Christ, what the hell was that about? Well, anyway, unfortunately, somebody got to the number, but you know, I would have liked to have talked to Casey Neistat. You know, had a little bit of a man-to-man with him and made him understand, like, what the hell is your goddamn problem? All right? Jesus Christ. Anyway, thank you very much for your attempt at trying to get that phone number there, Teutonic. I really appreciate it because I can't believe this son of a bitch did what he did, but he wants to be political, huh? He wants to be a little political, huh? Charge! Charge that son of a bitch! Anyway, let's take some more callers here. How about area code 347? You're on the horn of this Baller Friday.
The Ghost, is that me?
That's you.
All right, excuse me a second. All right, what's up?
I'm sorry, man. Did we find you on the crapper or something?
No. I just got something for you. All right, 1, 2, 3. Go surf in the trolling world, it's betrayal, and everybody's gonna go to Chelsea, go to over. Take control, take control, they just want, and you need a autograph.
Is that it? Oh, he hung up! Oh, come on! Oh! This guy fucked up! Oh, excuse my French, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to curse, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to curse. This guy screwed up! Alright, it was like, oh crap, it just hung up. Oh, man, I'm telling you, cringeworthy, man, cringeworthy. All right, who else do we have going on over here, right? I mean, this guy waited on the horn for like an hour and a half to do that, man. Oh, my God. Anyway, let's go. Let's move on. How about 213? You're on the horn on this Baller Friday. You there? Well, Jesus Christ, why even call if you're just going to sit there like a deaf mute? Like a Helen Keller deaf mute? Why even call? Good God. How about 250 Radio Graffiti? Or Radio Graffiti, whoa. And we're not even at Radio 250, it's Baller Friday, Jesus Christ.
Sorry, Ghost. I'm still laughing at that guy that hung up. He really fucked up, didn't he?
Yeah, I mean, are you kidding me? He was trying to do a song, and it was like, and then hung up.
That's too funny. Happy Baller Friday, man.
Happy Baller Friday to you, man. What's going on with you? What do you want to talk about on this Baller Friday?
I just want to talk about, not much. I just want to say I'm Team Ghostler. I'm all for it. Listening to your show for about 8 years. I appreciate the third hour. I can actually listen to you when I drive home now. And I bought one of your autographs. Thanks for putting that up. And one last thing is, I know you had that conversation with G about the pussification of the male. I don't think that conversation is going to be enough. What do you think?
Oh, well, that's a very good point. I really don't know. I don't know if that, conversation is going to be enough because, I don't know. Look, I don't want to talk about G. He's a kid, you know what I mean? In my opinion, he may be a little bit of a spoiled brat, and in my opinion, I think that has hurt his progression and his development as a man. I personally don't believe that he's autistic. I think that he's, very well aware of what he's doing. He can, communicate fairly articulately. And, I just think that he may be a little bit of a spoiled brat, man. And, that's what's the unfortunate byproduct of being a little spoiled, snot-nosed little brat. So if you happen to be a parent, do not spoil your children, man. I mean, seriously, do not spoil your goddamn children. Because in my personal opinion, I just think that, and look, there's nothing against G, all right? I mean, G is just, unfortunately, he put himself in the position to be spotlighted in this predicament. But, I mean, there's many children like G, that are really just spoon-fed brat, just given everything on a silver platter, doesn't understand that this is the real world and everything is not going to go your effing way. And you see, when it comes to, individuals like G, that children like G, when things don't go their way, they have these ridiculous spastic meltdowns that involved emotionalism, crying, anger, or whatever the case might be. And, what's unfortunate is that, I don't know what else to say but what I've told him, man. I mean, that's all I can do. That's all I can do. I mean, I hope that, a lot of the things that we were trying to convey to this young man, he understands that this is not how you act in regular society. This is not how you act to gain respect from people. People are not going to respect you because you are juicing, sympathy from folk, And that's just the bottom line. Now, look, I'm not just singling out G. I mean, there's a lot of kids like this. There's a lot of kids that think that everything is supposed to be handed on a silver platter to them, and that everything revolves around their emotion and that how they feel, and everything should go their way. And that's just not the way it's supposed to be. I mean, people need to understand that this is the real world, and everything is not going to go your effing way. And when it doesn't go your way, you don't cry about it. You don't cry about it and like, I mean, especially if you've got a pair of testes and a penis. All right, if you've got a pair of testes and a penis and you're crying because your feelings are hurt, I personally believe you deserve an ass beating. I'm sorry, I'm not kidding around. All right, if you got a pair of balls and a penis and you're crying because you're emotional, I think that you should get your ass beat, man. Seriously. So look, I hope that everything that I said G takes to heart, and he understands that, hey, I kind of put myself in a very precarious scenario to make myself be spotlighted on my own emotional spastic activity. And, maybe what I need to do now is just take it like a man, shut my mouth, and just, continue to do whatever I wanted to do, fan my balls to, what is that freaking Undertale or whatever. I don't care. Whatever. Jesus Christ, man. Anyway, let me go ahead and take a swig of this here. Anyway, folks, let's move on here. I don't want to talk. I don't even know why we're talking about this. You know what I mean? I don't even know why we're talking about this, for Christ's sake, man. All right, seriously. Anyway, let's move on. I'm going to take some more. We're now in the third and final hour of the True Capitalist Radio Show. And, of course, I am your host, the man they call Ghost. And once again, folks, I want to thank everybody for tuning in with me. Before we get started, I'd like for everybody to please follow me on Twitter, folks. The Twitter name to follow is Politics Ghost. All one word, no underscores. Politics Ghost is the name to follow. All right? Anyway, folks, and of course, you already know where the address is here, all right, to get every one of my episodes that I have ever conducted to download absolutely free. All you got to do is go to blogtalkradio.com/ghost. That's blogtalkradio.com/ghost, all right? Let's go ahead and continue to take some more callers before we get into some radio graffiti here, all right? How about area code 859? You're on the horn. What you got to say?
Ghost, is that me?
It's you, man. What's going on?
Hey, it's Danny J from Twitter. How are you?
How you doing, man?
I'm doing great. So I follow Donald Trump and I do all that. He was in Cincinnati recently. I just wanted to know, have you ever heard about Cincinnati? Have you ever seen anything about Cincinnati? What do you think of it?
Cincinnati, I've never really thought about Cincinnati since WKRP in Cincinnati. That's the last time I ever heard of anything from Cincinnati. You know what I mean? Y'all remember that show? WKRP in Cincinnati. That's the only time I ever heard anything about Cincinnati. And the time that Pete Rose played for the Cincinnati Reds. That's about the only thing that I've ever heard of in Cincinnati. That's about it. Yeah, I think that's the only thing I heard. WKRP in Cincinnati. Anyway, why you ask?
What's that?
Now, why do you ask?
I don't know, because, I got to admit, though, I am a bit nervous. But I just wanted to know if you ever heard anything about Cincinnati. Do you plan on visiting Cincinnati at any time?
You know what? I don't really know. As a matter of fact, maybe I'll visit Cincinnati in the Ohio area once John Kasich is no longer the governor of that particular state, all right? But as I stated, the only time I'd ever heard of anything about Cincinnati is WKRP in Cincinnati. Anyway, let's continue going. Thank you for calling in, by the way, man. I appreciate you calling in. Who else do we have here? We got, how about 213? You're on the horn. What's going on this Baller Friday? Other Anonymous, Radio Graffiti.
Yeah, and I'll be able to do that. Look, using executive orders is not a good thing. It was not the way it was supposed to be.
Fuck off, you stupid scumbag. Hey, no, I never said that. Shut up. All right, shut up. Don't besmirch Donald Trump on my broadcast, all right, boy? Do not dare. Do not besmirch freaking Donald Trump on my broadcast, or we're going to have some goddamn problems, boy. You understand that? We're going to have some major goddamn problems. You come at me, boy. You understand that? Jesus Christ. Who else do we got here? How about 586? What's going on?
Is it me?
Yeah, that's you, man. What's going on?
Hey, this is Badman X86. I just wanted to know, where do you think that if the United States was hit with nukes, where that would happen?
If the United States was hit with nukes, it would probably, and I hate to even say this because I'm living in a goddamn city that, is military city USA at this current time, they're going to hit the military cities. I'm thinking San Diego. I'm thinking San Antonio. I'm thinking Fort Bragg. I'm thinking, they're going to hit the military bases first. I actually think that Hawaii will be a first target because it's typically a first target whenever anyone's going to hit the United States. But as far as a nuclear weapon, they're going to want to take out the military, because if they can take out the military, then they can just come in paratroop style, invasion style, and literally take control of the whole goddamn populace. You know what I'm saying? The whole goddamn populace. So anyway, folks, you know what? Let me take a break here. I got Templeton over here. He's already looking at me, and I don't want him to start howling and all this crap. I mean, the funny thing about Templeton, you got his own personality. And it's like, hey, I'm a little hungry right now, so can you hook me up here? And then when he starts getting up and, he wants to, have something to eat, and I don't move fast enough for this damn dog, Templeton just goes, oh! I mean, you know what I mean? He starts howling, for Christ's sake, man. You know what I mean? Like the werewolves of London, for Christ's sake. Oh! Hey, Templeton, are you okay? What is it? Are you hungry or something, Templeton? What is it? Oh, God. Anyway, look, before we start howling, let me take a break here really fast. All right? I'll be right back. Let me see. What should I put on here? What should I put on here while we're away? While we're away here for a second. Let's see. How about the whore from, the girl from Ipanema, all right? It's always a classic. It's an elevator music classic, for Christ's sake, all right? Hey, do you got the whore from Ipanema there, engineer? All right, folks. Well, let's go ahead and take a quick break. Let's put on the whore from Ipanema, and we shall be right back in a few minutes, folks. Don't go anywhere, and when we come back, it's radio goddamn graffiti time, and I hope that you're ready for it. Go ahead and throw it on, engineer. All right, we'll be right back.
on True Capitalist Radio. True Capitalist Radio.
Yeah, all right, we're back. I already fed Templeton here. He's just fine. Just being a little bit of a fart knocker out here. Anyway, folks, as a matter of fact, thank you very much, El Foxo Loco, giving us a map of potential nuclear targets if there happens to be any kind of nuclear striking of America. So if you happen to fall under these areas here, there you go. Anyway, folks, let's continue on, all right? Let's continue on here. Hold on, let me get to something here before we get to everybody's favorite part of the broadcast, and I'm talking about Radio Graffiti here, all right? I'm getting situated. As a matter of fact, I need some more beer here. Let me get some more beer! Anyway, let's go ahead and just do this here. Oh, yeah. Anyway, folks, let's go ahead and let's get to everybody's favorite part of the broadcast. I'm talking about Radio Graffiti. That's right, folks. Radio Graffiti, the part of the broadcast where the spectators become a part of the spectacle. All you have to do is give me a call right now, 425-390-6146. And when I call on your area code, you got exactly 3 to 4 seconds to say whatever it is that's on your mind. That's why we call this Radio Graffiti, all right? And I'm looking at the engineer. Do we have any calls here, engineer? All right, well, let's go ahead and get to everybody's favorite part of the broadcast, and that's Radio Graffiti right now. All right, how about anonymous Radio Graffiti? What the hell is that? What the hell was that and why? What the hell was that and why? Good God, man. Anonymous Radio Graffiti. Twilly Atkins Radio Graffiti.
To most adults, My Little Pony is a kid's show about Technicolor horses prancing around on beautiful backgrounds. When the show premiered in 2010, its intended audience was preteen girls. However, now its largest fan base seems to be with Ghost and Donald Trump.
I have so many great friends in that world. I've just found them to be very different, all different, but terrific. It reminds me of my youth, and I really like them.
I freaking love My Little Pony, My Little Pony.
They meet once a week at what they like to call a pony party. Ask them who their favorite brony is, and everyone seems to have a different answer.
We got Twilly Atkins, Scarlet Moon, Mass Pony, Disco Waffle, and Liquid Schwartz.
Well, I've been asked that question on occasion, and I will say they're fans of mine, but I'm even bigger fans of theirs.
Being bronies may have brought them together, but they found many other common interests, such as friendship.
I'm a melting pot. You know what? Get this stupid brony crap. Get that stupid brony goddamn splice out of here. I'm sick of these goddamn clopping pieces of brony trash. Good God. I mean, I'm getting infested by bronies. God damn. I mean, it was disgusting. That was horrible, man. Goddamn bronies, man. I'm telling you, you're a goddamn bad case of herpes, is what you people are. You understand that? You clopping horse fetish pieces of trash? Good God. I'm tired of it. Give me the mic. Give me the mic, man. I thought when I came back and did this damn broadcast that the goddamn brony stupid movement, whatever it was gone. That faded away, for Christ's sake, man. But no, you look at this crap, huh? Look at this, huh? They just recently had BronyCon, and jeez, you know what? I don't even want to talk about it. All right. Good God, anonymous radio graffiti. YouTube, everybody's looking on YouTube, YouTube, everybody's watching YouTube. I mean, look, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to say that. Stop making me... You idiots are never going to let me live that down, are you? You know what I mean? You're never going to let me live that down. I didn't mean to say YouTube. God damn it. Good God, man. Anonymous radio graffiti. We got Scarlet Moon radio graffiti.
It's Octavia.
People are actually redoing this song because of the goddamn engineer? Seriously, how many remakes of this particular song? I mean, let me tell you something, engineer. Those producers of that goddamn movie should be paying you a goddamn residual for the resurrection of that damn movie, for Christ's sake. Shut up. Just sit there and shut your mouth. All right, just do your job. Yes, sir. Jesus Christ, man. I don't know how many people are going to remake this song, but it's starting to piss me off. I'm telling you this right now. It's starting to piss me off. Jesus Christ. 203 radio graffiti. Yeah, great, a Helen Keller death mute, for Christ's sake. How about anonymous radio graffiti?
East Coast Joe calling in.
305, I'm gonna leave your ass bleeding because you can't rap without freaking reading. Don't step to me, I'm the OGGHOST. You shouldn't have messed with me, you see. I'm the man with the master plan. I get real wicked with the freaking mic in my hand. Do you understand? I got the freaking mic, and I'm ripping it up like a fat, greasy bull dyke. What you got to say to me when I slap you in the mouth and take your ass to the south and put you off the stroll, make you my hoe, and make everybody out there on the street say, whoa, at $10 a pop, because you know that's what it takes to make them drop. Because all you are is some $2 whore drop. Man, I'm telling you, look, I'm not joking around. I can bust a flow, all right? And since everybody is so wrapped up on rap music, I'm considering dropping a rap song. I'm serious. I'm not joking around. All right? I'm thinking about dropping a rap song here, and I'm not joking. I'm not joking. I busted a flow before, baby. I've busted a flow many times, all right? All right? I've busted a flow many times, baby. You understand what I'm saying? I'm not joking around, all right? Let me tell you something. I could out-rap battle Gilly the Kid, all right? That's how badass I am. I can out-rap battle Gilly the Kid. Anyway, folks, let me move on here. I'm sorry, man. Let me move on. Who else do we got going on over here? How about anonymous radio graffiti? Willie Atkins radio graffiti.
Last weekend, more than 4,000 fans of the Trump campaign gathered for a My Little Pony convention. It was a huge event with panels, galleries, and Donald Trump.
Look, no, you know what? Enough of these brony calls is right. I have to agree with that Twitter shout-out. Brony calls on Radio Graffiti, no lulls is right. I got to agree with him on that. How about Anonymous, Radio Graffiti? What the hell is that supposed to mean, for Christ's sake? 859 Radio Graffiti. Oh, Jesus Christ. Stop acting like a Helen Keller deaf mute, for Christ's sake. Son of a bitch. How about 970 Radio Graffiti?
What's up, Ghost? Just want to say happy Radio Graffiti. I wanted to talk earlier, but it's Radio Graffiti, so I won't say anything more.
What do you want to say? What do you want to talk about, man?
Don't worry about it. It's Radio Graffiti. I don't want to distract everybody else, so have a good Friday, man.
All right, man. Well, we'll go ahead and move on then. Sorry about that, man. How about 919 Radio Graffiti?
Engineer abuse is a growing problem everywhere in the world. Engineers are being stalked, beaten, and yelled at on radio broadcasts.
Hey, what the hell do you think you're doing, for Christ's sake? God damn it!
Innocent engineers don't deserve to be embarrassed on the radio for doing their job. A solution that could put a stop to engineer abuse would be to let them host their own show. For just 10 cents a day, you can change an engineer's life. End the suffering. Adopt an engineer. Make a difference. Alright, now get me the hell out of here!
I mean, what the hell? What in the hell was that? What the hell was that? God damn it, you son of a bitch! I'm tired of that crap already, man. I treat the engineer fair and square, assholes, alright? I treat the engineer fair and square, and you people are just trying to make a mountain out of a damn molehill, and I really don't damn appreciate it one damn bit. You people are making a goddamn mountain out of a molehill, and you people need to stop it. Good God, stop it. Give me the mic. Give me the goddamn mic, for Christ's sake. Hey, engineer, I treat you decently, right? I mean, I pay you well, right? Right? I'm serious. Tell these people that I treat you right. Right? Right? That's what I thought. Jesus Christ, man. Who else do we have going on here, for Christ's sake? How about 412 Radio Graffiti?
Who you are, fuck everything, but fuck you the most, fuck everyone, but fuck you the most, with a big rusty pole or a Twitter post, yeah, fuck you the most, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you, you, fuck 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 you.
Fuck yeah, fuck you.
Yeah, shut up, all right? All right, why don't you shove that song right up your goddamn clogged up pooper, all right? Shut up. Anonymous, Radio Graffiti. Well, what the hell kind of a version of that song is that now? What kind of a version of song that... Jesus Christ, man. 484 Radio Graffiti.
Sunstock is the chrome above the 57 Chevy bumper. This is Chick Fest. I'm the freaking Hambone! Freaking Hambone! You freaking cyber vermin, you troll terrorist! That's it! Electric is my dog on
What the? What? Jesus Christ, with these freaking remixes, man. Enough. All right? Anonymous, Radio Goddamn Graffiti.
Fuck you, Texas. If you're dumb enough to spend $45, then you're a big enough schmutz to buy a membership with the Inner Circle. Shitty music. Members give Ghost ass. Betrayal. If you think Ghost has any respect for you, you can kick my ass. It's hard to believe you're such a stupid motherfucker. You'll fall for this shit. Guaranteed.
Yeah, well, you want to, you know what? I'm not even going to let that finish. You want to know why? I would have almost let it finish if it didn't have that ethnic twang to it. You know what I'm saying? I mean, there's a little bit of an ethnic twang going on over there, and if you're going to criticize me specifically in the realm of radio, the least you could do is eliminate that ethnic twang, much like the Indians do when they're taking calls in a telemarketing conference call center out there in the middle of Haji, India. You understand what I'm saying? I mean, I'm sick and tired of hearing of that ethnic twang in the background, for Christ's sake. Can you stop? All right, if you're going to make freaking any kind of goddamn splices about me, can you please stop with the, hey, how you doing? I mean, I can hear the ethnic twang, for Christ's sake, Roldy. Jesus Christ, learn how to articulate yourself, for heaven's sake. Jesus Christ, man. Anonymous, Radio Goddamn Graffiti.
So deep down in my heart, I still love you.
Yeah, I have no idea what the hell. I don't understand what the hell what that's supposed to mean or why. You understand that? How about Anonymous, Radio Graffiti? We got Scarlet Moon, Radio Graffiti. Are you kidding me? You actually made a Nintendo version of that goddamn song? I mean, goddamn... I'm sick of that song! God damn it, I'm so sick of that goddamn stupid, damn racist-ass song, man! God damn it! God damn it, man! They made a Nintendo version of that song, for heaven's sake, man! I mean, when is it going to end? You understand? Give me the mic, give me the mic. I mean, Jesus Christ. You understand, engineer? You understand the reason they are doing this is because of you. You understand this, right? Jesus Christ, man. Jesus Christ. You know, let me tell you something, engineer. You know that little 70, the 70-30 cut that we have for your autograph? You know that cut that we have?
Yes, sir.
Well, I'm taking 80% because of this goddamn stupid, goddamn stupid song. You don't have a problem with that, do you, engineer? Jesus Christ, man. It's 80% now. Jesus Christ, man. Let me move on with this damn broadcast. Let me tell you, you idiots keep doing this, all right? If you keep doing this, I'm getting out of here. You understand that? I am out. son of a bitch. Jesus Christ, man, all right? I'm serious. It's 80% now. I'm not joking around, all right? And hey, you people on Twitter, shut up. Shut up, all right? Just shut your mouth. This has nothing to concern you. Don't involve yourself with business that doesn't concern you. I'm serious. Good God, man. Wait a minute. What the hell is this? You son of a bitch. Somebody bought my autograph so they could burn it? So they could put it in their fire? You son of a... Screw you! Screw you! Screw you, whoever's doing that, man! Screw you, man! Screw you, man! Go burn my autograph! Go shove it up your ass, then! Alright? Don't you dare burn my autograph! God damn it! You're literally burning money! You're literally burning money, for heaven's sake! Good God, man, look at him on Twitter! I just retweeted it! I just retweeted it, son of a bitch! I mean, you son of a bitch, man! You idiots are gonna burn my autograph? You idiots are gonna burn my autograph, for Christ's sake! Good God! I can't, good God, good God! You're gonna burn my autograph, man? I mean, give me a break, man! Give me the mic, give me the mic! Hey, you idiots on Twitter, why are you calling me a Jew now? Why are you calling me a Jew? Some idiot says Ghost confirmed for Jew for taking 80% of the engineer's hard-earned money? What are you talking about, man? What the hell is that supposed to mean? What the hell is that supposed to mean, man? That's fair and square. Right, engineer? You have no problem with me taking 80% of the goddamn autograph money, do you? No, sir. You see? God damn, and now I got you sons of bitches buying my autograph so you can throw it in the damn fire? Seriously, you bought my autograph so your dumb ass can throw it in the fire. You son of a bitch. You know, I should just end this show on that alone, man. I should just end this show on that alone. I cannot believe that you would besmirch me in such a capacity, man. I cannot believe that. I mean, first I got freaking Asho teaching these people how to bootleg my goddamn autograph. Now I got somebody who actually bought it. It's going to burn it. I mean, seriously, get this mic out of my... Get this mic out of my goddamn face already, man. I mean, I'm tired of this... I mean, how much can one man take? I seriously, man, sometimes I look at myself in the mirror and I ask myself this, how much can one man take of this troll terrorism cyber vermin, man? I mean, all I do is give you my heart. I give you my goddamn heart, man. You know that you unappreciative assholes, I am approaching right now as we speak. I'm approaching almost 1,400 hours of my life. 1,400 hours of my life, man. And this is the thanks I get, man. Being trolled and all this crap. I mean, good God, man. Oh, good God. I can't believe you people, man. I'm serious. I cannot believe you people. I cannot believe, I'm serious, I cannot believe you jerk dicks, man. And stop calling me a Jew on Twitter. Shut up. I am not a Jew, all right? Stop it. I am not a Jew. I use yarmulkes for coffee filters, you son of a bitch. I am not a Jew, so shut up. Man, you know what? You idiots have already ruined my Baller Friday. I mean, why am I... Give me the mic. I mean, seriously, why in the blue hell should I even continue on for the rest of the goddamn last of the half hour here? Why? I mean, why? I mean, do you see the humiliation here, folks? People are buying my autograph so they can freaking burn it. Son of a bitch. Jesus Christ, man. I'm seriously thinking about ending the show right now. I'm not joking around. My feelings are hurt, man. All right? I mean, my feelings are hurt here. All right? I mean, it's horrible. I got people buying my autograph so they can burn it, man. I mean, what am I, Colin Kaepernick? I mean, seriously. I mean, what am I, Colin goddamn Kaepernick, for Christ's sake? I mean, I'm a melting pot of friendship. I'm a nice guy. God, man. 1,400 hours, man. 1,400 hours, man. And look at everybody, Team NG on Twitter. Look at this, Team Engineer. Get this mic. Shut up. All of you just shut up. Just shut your mouth. Oh, my God, man. Oh my God, this is just disgusting. Yeah, I'm serious. I'm just genuinely thinking about ending the goddamn show. I'm serious. And stop calling me a Jew. I am not a Jew, ass cracker. And shut up. And shut up with the Team Engineers, man. Shut up with the Team Engineer crap. Oh my God. And look, people are buying the Engineer's autograph. They're buying it still. God damn it, man. Stop it. Just stop, man. Stop making my life a living hell. Stop making my life a living hell. Jesus Christ, man. I mean, does anything I'm doing mean anything to you? I mean, 1,400, almost 1,400 hours. Does anything I do mean anything to you? Oh, my God, man. Oh, God. This is sick, man. I'm telling you, Jesus Christ, man. I mean, look at it. They're making graphics about the Engineer. Look at this. Look at this Team Engineer crap. Look at this. Look. And this is, look at this crap. Look. God. Damn it. Damn it! I'm getting out of here. I'm not doing this crap, man. Seriously, I am not doing this crap. I mean, give me the mic. Give me the mic. I mean, I have been besmirched. All right. I mean, I have been trolled. The freaking cyber vermin have harassed me. I've been spliced. I've been betrayed by my own inner circle. And now I got people buying my autograph just so they can burn it. I've got people buying my autograph just so they can burn it, man. Good God. I mean, do you all hate me that much, man? Do you all hate me? I mean, what did I do? Why? Why? Oh, my God, man. I'm so tired of this, man. And look, I'm pulling down the autographs, all right? I'm pulling down the autographs tomorrow night because, I've had enough of this. I'm serious. I've had a goddamn enough of this crap. I'm not joking around. I mean, this has gone far enough. This Team NG, Team Ghost crap, this has gone far enough. All right? And I've had enough of it. I've had enough of it, man. All right? Look, I'm going to take a couple more calls because I know I got a little bit more time here, but let me tell you, you people piss me off. I'm out of here. I'm not messing around, asshole. All right? Jesus Christ. Anonymous, Radio Goddamn Graffiti.
Tell Ghost to bring his engineer, bring his dogs, bring his wife. That's right, well, fuck his wife, because with Ghost's Inner Circle, you're fucked 6 ways till Sunday. Take a hike to the Inner Circle, home of challenge splicing. That's right, challenge splicing. How does it...
Yeah, you know what? Why don't you go shove a fried cod in your mouth, Raldy? Jesus Christ. Anonymous, Radio Graffiti.
Well, Ghost is a bitch, he's a bitch, that bitch, he's a big, it's bitch to the whole wide world. He's a bitch to his friends, he's a bitch to his souls, he's a bitch to all the boys in town. Monday he's with them, Tuesday he's with them, Wednesday, Thursday he's a bitch. Then on Friday, substitute reasons for crippled pride, I claim a fiat.
Yeah, we get it. It's a circus sideshow because you people make it that way. Anonymous, Radio Goddamn Graffiti. You sick sons of bitches, man. 609 Radio Graffiti.
Ghost, I have to agree with you. Earlier you said that a man who cries when the world doesn't go his way is pathetic, and I have to agree with that. That's going to make it so much more ironic, so much more pathetic when you end up crying. I mean, poke your eye when Donald Trump loses to Hillary.
You know what? Shut up, you fruity little fruity McFaggon sounding, phallic fluffing, seat sniffing, belch breathing, urinal cake curator, pedophile, priest probing, dog farting fetish, piece of anal secretion loving, chicken eating corn boy crap. Shut up! No one's talking to your fruity ass, so just sit there and shut your mouth, boy. Anonymous, Radio Graffiti. Radio Graffiti.
This is about a megalomaniac who's driven by nothing but ego. A man who cares exactly zero about the people of this country. A person who brags about sexually assaulting women and shames others for the way they look. I'm speaking up now because this election has very little to do with politics, policy, or legislation. This has to do with morals and principles.
Oh, shut up, Casey Neistat. Morals and principle, huh? Have you read the WikiLeaks emails, you stupid, dumb, swallowing your own face looking piece of hipster trash? God damn, man, I wish I could bitch slap that stupid, dumb, freaking, looks like he's swallowing his face son of a bitch. I wish I could give him a damn slap. Anonymous, Radio Graffiti. You know what? I'm not even going to let that play because I'm tired of that goddamn song. Anonymous Radio Goddamn Graffiti.
Underfed engineer, beaten engineer, molested engineer, lost engineer, crying engineer, homeless engineer, hidden run engineer, broken arm engineer, broken leg engineer, spin head engineer, sick engineer, dying engineer, dead engineer, underfed engineer, beaten engineer, molested engineer.
Shut up, you stupid little twat. Shut up. Anonymous Radio Graffiti. Radio Graffiti. How about 666 Radio Graffiti? I didn't even understand what the hell that was with your Obama phone, for Christ's sake. 323 Radio Graffiti.
Hello, Ghost. Auto's Magician here. All at the CU is to outsell Ghostler! Outsell Ghostler!
That's right, that's right! Hail Ghostler! All hail Ghostler! All hail Ghostler! Anyway, who else we got? We got Anonymous Radio Graffiti.
I love ISIS. I like them. I send them oil. They send me Islamic terrorism. It's great. Trump Tower.
You know, that's not funny, asshole. All right, shut up with that splice. Don't besmirch Donald Trump, boy. All right? How about 517 Radio Graffiti?
All right, hold up. I'm about to... An autistic engineer. Suddenly someone takes his underwears off. Ghost walks around the gay bars wearing taps to the ass area crap. Ghost is a motherfucking fruit bowl looking for a 15 and a half to put in his ass, frequent the glory hole in the shit stall. Sucking on a missed dick, play with the boss. I love sucking penis.
I mean, that is horrible. That was just horrible attempt at being musically... I don't even know, man. Anonymous Radio Graffiti. Jesus Christ, should get that crap off the air, for Christ's sake. How about 224 Radio Graffiti? Yeah, I remember that black brony making that freaking song about me, that son of a bitch. How about 503 Radio Graffiti?
I just want to say I think it's really offensive that someone would burn your autograph. I don't get it, but we ran out of toilet paper, and I did wipe my ass with your autograph, and that was great. That really worked well. So I just wanted to...
Now, you see why that isn't effective? Because, first of all, you sound unconfident, you didn't know how to deliver the punchline, and it completely went over your head, you know? I mean, seriously. I mean, that was just the most lamest attempt at trying to be funny, you know? You got to know when to deliver it. It's not what you say, it's how you say it, you dumb jerk dicks. You know, toilet paper, and that really worked good. That's why nobody is playing with your wee-wee, because you don't know how to communicate, you stupid, dumb jerk nut. How about Anonymous Radio Graffiti?
Engineer, please show us the sign your circle has waited to see. The world is his when the show is his. Tomorrow belongs to engineer.
Man, what? I mean, no, look, enough of this engineer crap. I'm serious. I'm tired of it, man. I'm tired of it. Jesus Christ. How about 801 Radio Graffiti?
What's going on between me and Alex is personal, right?
Yeah, well, you know, we can't even hear you from your goddamn Obama phone, you milky-licking piece of trash. All right? Jesus Christ. Who else do we got? We got, how about Anonymous Radio Graffiti?
God, show up, Radio Graffiti.
This was a triumph. We'll never come out here. Huge success. We'll never find courage. We're born inside guns. Through Boycott Radio. Do what we must, pretend our way. For the good of capitalists, except the ones just like those. But he said he didn't stop his but he's really at home. He's a big fat Texas racist Jewish hammer. He's the trail to be boxed in his breath. And he is here still alive.
You son of a betraying Godzilla bitch! The betrayal! The betrayal! God damn it, I can't take any more of this goddamn betrayal! I'm done with it! I'm done with this goddamn Baller Friday! You people have ruined it, and I'm done with it! I'm done with it! I'm done with it! I'm done! I'm done with it! I'm done! I'm just stick a fork in me! I'm done with this crap! Jesus Christ, man. I deserve more respect! Do you understand this, you sorry sacks of crap? I mean, I'm a capitalist, and this is how you people treat me! This is how you people treat me! I can't believe you people! I can't believe you blue ball blowing, freaking dirty Sanchez loving, Cincinnati bow tie receiving, rusty trombone playing, Magic Johnson toilet licking, Hillary Clinton bedpan changing, kebab meat bag chewing, pieces of chicken eating, pansexual Peter puffing crap! I'm tired! I am tired, man! I'm tired of it! You know what? I'm tired of it. I'm getting the hell out of here, folks. You know what I mean? I'm ending the show, and I'm ending it right now. 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 I'm ending this son of a bitch right now. Give me the mic. Give me the freaking mic, for Christ's sake. Let me tell you something, man. I am so done with this goddamn Baller Friday. I can't believe that I even waste my life broadcasting some of you people. I can't believe it. Over 1,400 hours of my life only to be betrayed. Only to be betrayed, for Christ's sake. I feel like I'm going to puke, man, on the betrayal. I'm tired of this betrayal. I'm tired of the betrayal. I'm tired of the betrayal. I'm tired. God damn it, man. Oh, my goddamn heart. Oh, my heart. Oh, my God, my heart. Oh, good God, my heart's beating like a rabbit. Look, folks, I gotta get the hell out of here, folks. I'm serious. I mean, I can't end my Friday like this. I gotta go out. I gotta go have a drink. I gotta go do something. I gotta go unwind. I gotta do something. I gotta do something, man. I'm getting out of here. All right. I mean, look. Let me tell you something. You scumbags, and look at them. They're still. Look. Don't deface my autograph anymore. Don't deface my autograph! I'm telling you, sons of bitches, man, I am pulling down the autographs, all right? Both of them, tomorrow night. All right, ass cracks? Because I can't believe that you people are pulling this crap! I can't believe you people can betray me, man! I can't believe you people could do this to me, man! I can't believe that you people can do this to me! Oh, good God, man. Give me the mic. like I said, you sorry sacks of crap, I'm pulling down those autographs tomorrow night. All right, so you better take advantage of them because they're going to be gone. They're going to be gone tomorrow, and I will never bring them back ever again. Ever again. You can thank these assholes that are putting my goddamn autograph in a goddamn a freaking fireplace or a freaking oven. You can thank them for this crap, all right? After tomorrow, all these autographs are no more, no more, no more. Jesus Christ, I'm serious. They're gone after tomorrow. So if you want to take advantage of it, and I'm talking to you people that actually want my autograph, man, not to burn it, not to deface it, man. I mean, type into your browser, please, man. I mean, please don't deface my autograph, man. Please. Please don't deface my autograph anymore. I can't take that kind of rejection, man. Man, type into your browser right now, man, ghost.market. All right, that's where the autographs are. They're going to be taken down tomorrow, and then after that, it's over. I'm serious, I will not put them up ever again. All right, it's over. All right, it's over for that. After tomorrow, it's over. I can't believe that these people did this to me, man. What a horrible Baller Friday. You know, you people, Jesus Christ, man. If I could see you at a bar right now, I would stomp your teeth so far down your goddamn throat, you'd be able to chew your own ass to the point where you could find a new way to the Great Wall of China, you son of a bitch. All right? You son of a bitch. If you were in front of me, I'd split your nuts between your head to the back of your ass. You son of a bitch! So anyway, I'm getting the hell out of here. I'm not partaking in this. I'm not partaking in this anymore. And screw you people on Twitter defacing my autograph, right? Shove it up your ass. I'm out of here. I'm gone. I'm done. Stick a fork in me. I'm done. Follow me on Twitter, all right? The Twitter name to follow is Politics Ghost, all right, scumbags? Politics Ghost, all one word, no underscores, Politics Ghost. And you son of a bitch, man. I mean, if you idiots want to listen to the archives, I mean, blogtalkradio.com/ghost is the official goddamn website of the True Capitalist Radio Show, all right? blogtalkradio.com/ghost. I can't believe the betrayal, man. I cannot believe the betrayal here. But, you know, you people are laughing. You think it's a big freaking joke, for Christ's sake, don't you? Huh? Look at you people. And what is it? People keep tweeting at me, pick up this number. Okay, what's up? 614. What? Radio Graffiti. What is it?
Two quick things. Do you think WikiLeaks will show that Iran donated to the Clinton Foundation? Secondly, I challenge you to a contest. We can each autograph fleshlights and see who sells better on ghost.market. Oh my.
Welcome to Blog Talk Radio. Please hold and you will be able to listen to the show.
Cell terrorist and cyber vermin. Give me the money. I'm telling you, I have taken down those autographs. It's over after tomorrow. If you want one, you better get one. Ghost.market. Type it in your damn browser right now. I'm out of here. You'll be lucky if I'm here on for Monday at 4 p.m. I'm out of here. I'm out.
Thank you for using Blog Talk Radio. Goodbye.
Well, that ended on a high note. Dang it. Hangouts likes to actually end it at the very... Jesus, Hangouts. 3 hours, and yet you cannot give out extra hours. Oh well. You can thank Hangouts for that, guys. It literally ended it like that, even though Friday got nothing else better to do, but yeah, you know, let's go with Hangouts. 3 hours, that's all. It auto hangs out, and that's it. Well, You only missed that part of the cans, that wave. Huh. Oh well. Oh well. Decent Baller Friday, guys. Decent Baller Friday. Even though I've been playing Overwatch the entire 3 hours and I still cannot beat this. Oh my god, the one time I was so close on beating it. The one time, and I'm just, Jesus Christ, it's really hard. But, well, no more of this, of course. I have to do this off, just doing this separately. But next Monday, I'm gonna do new gameplay next Monday. Gears 4, of course. Gears 4 next Monday, guys. So, new gameplay on next Monday. So, with that said, thank you guys once again for coming into the stream, and also thanks for anyone who actually listening in to the YouTube archives, or you're pretty much listening to this somewhere else, where your host, BN King, the host, and your streamer. Thanks everyone for coming out to the stream, or you're just listening to this to the YouTube recording and just re-listening again. I'm gonna do some quick YouTube shout outs now that Friday. It says pretty much I don't have nothing much, no streams until later tonight. So movie night later on. So in 2 hours after this goes off. So if you guys want to know what movie I'm playing, just go to my Twitter account @TheBurning_Network, because it could be, of course, I'll be posting the movies. I'll be posting it after this stream ends, and not only that. I also do follow Politics Ghost. It would be appreciated for him to follow him as well. So, you'll get the go-to for him. And also, people will appreciate your following as much as me, of course. One other thing, make sure to subscribe to on this channel as well. For those who really aren't and are not familiar with this channel, I do stream the True Capitalist Radio broadcast every Monday to Friday, 4 p.m. Central, 5 p.m. Eastern, and 2 p.m. Pacific time. And if you live somewhere around the world or somewhere outside the U.S. and you want to know what time or when TCR starts, just make sure to convert your time zone to 4 p.m. Central time, and then when exactly TCR starts, or just make sure if you subscribe to this channel, you know when the next event happens, and there will be a countdown, so when it will start. I usually start this put it up an hour before the broadcast sometimes, so that's pretty easy for anyone to understand. And also to participate in the live stream chat, because who wouldn't be immortalized to be in the live stream chat room, especially when it's recorded, saved afterwards, and then of course it will be viewed for a very, very long time. So you pretty much guys are immortalized for those who are in the live stream chat room. Anyways, let's do some, let's say it, YouTube shoutouts. Yes, YouTube shoutouts. The part at the very end of the, well, of course, that'd be TCR broadcast, and of course where I am talking out now. We'll give a YouTube shout out for anyone who's in the live stream chat room. And of course, if you're staying tuned then of course, you're tweeting in or typing something in the chat room, then that means you're there, and I'll make sure to actually give out the name. But the only way to do that, just make sure you're active. And of course, I'll be putting up an active choosers list to whomever is on the stream. I'll be naming them from A to Z alphabetically. So I invite you just to do it now, or just type in the chat room before I call your name, because if don't and I missed your name, then of course you'll be pretty much dead last, and or seeing it again on the chat room. So something gift. So this is my thanks to everybody for coming out. So let's do YouTube shout outs, shall we? Shall we do some YouTube shout outs? Yes, it's time. It's time for some YouTube shout outs right now. All right, who do we have? We got Anna Gittis. Hey Anna. Oh, that's actually pretty new. But hey Anna. We got Apple Juice 54321, A-Train Havoc. We got Bacter, Billy Bob Joe, Blackout Worm. The Truth will set you free. Bob Tom, Brony Drumming, CK Smith 08, Crippling Depression. Okay. We got Dr. Demento, Filet Paper Roller 202, Funky Monk, Ghost Sock, Haruka Takahashi. Hey Haruka. Hide It Me. Is it? Oh, it is. Okay. Hi, it's me. that's kind of weird. Oh, jacking off. Hey, what's up? Jiggly Ribs. Hey, Jiggly. Knowledge and Love. We got Konata, Louis G, Mask Pony, MC Gun, MC Gun, MC Egon. Okay, 69. Nathan Long, Odd Ice Magician, Piefish, Pinkwater. Hey, Pink, what's up? Kusar 953, Ray Rosen, Sarkoth, Scarlet Moon. Hey, good job for actually calling back in, even though there's too many brony calls on this. Pretty decent, but pretty good ones. Well, actually, no, not much good, but it's pretty good. Okay, Shane Easy, what's up? Sadus, POP, Scalzi, Tamanga, 88, TCR Lost, Remix and Splice, TCU Gaming, The Wanderer, the really new Mop 12100 backup. It's Cole again. Hey, Cole. We got Twiley Atkins. Yay, hey, what's up, Twiley? Too bad we didn't hear that Fluttershy voice, but hey, pretty good. Twitch Stream Archive, Veggie Bad, Vic, The Slick G, Video Game Lover 58, and Zakura. Yes, that's pretty much everyone on. That's the A to Z on the shoutouts list. So I'm looking back on the chat room. If I missed your name, make sure to reply in the chat room. Like, do it now. The Calling MX. Hey, what's up, Calling Man MX? Jennifer Mong. Hey, welcome, man. Oh, welcome, Jennifer. Come on, jeez. Mon. Pokemon. Alright, but seriously, let's see, I'm looking back. The Craze Bling! Oh man, cannot forget the Craze Bling. Because the bling boy becomes the bling. I'm just scrolling back who I missed. If I missed your name, like I said, just say it in the chat room. Like now. Because it's happening. Oh, Fox McCloud. Yes, cannot forget about Fox McCloud. Oh, yes, you're welcome, guys, for actually replying to you guys for the shoutouts. You, and pretty much thank you guys for coming out. Scuzzy! Okay. Ethos was here earlier. Adventure was here earlier, too. Tyson Rocket was here earlier too. Brony Drumming was earlier too. No, I did not miss you, dude. I know I did not miss you. I even said it twice to make sure to get everybody gone. Pretty much got everybody's name right. Nick P. Wildy, come on, he was here earlier. Kansas City was here earlier. G was here earlier. Quitch's Gaming was here earlier. Hey, long live Oakenfold 87, man. Yeah, there you go. Got your shout out, man. You got the shout out. GG. Oh yes, Godzilla was here earlier too. So, oh Jesus. I don't know about that splice about the Portal 2 with Godzilla. I don't think he played it. Yeah, that's what I thought. Godzilla did not play that clip. Yeah, he did not play that clip, but with some ominous. Oh wait, it was Brony Drumming who played the clip. Oh, I wonder if you got I don't know, Brony Drumming. I don't know if you got ask Godzilla for that permission. I think this is pretty much before the boycott thing, and pretty much I remember him Godzilla saying that he pretty much halted doing that boycott because of course since pretty much where came back to the circle or came back to Ghost, and everything went back. And of course, this happened earlier today. Yeah, I'm not sure about that. So I'll get a bomb to this. Can you put up generated flash pictures, please? Yeah, sure. I actually need to save it before doing that. Give me a sec, Twiley. Let me just block out the chat room because, of course, I'm gonna have to. I do have it. I do have it. I do have you. I do want it. I do want to download it because it'll be used for this Monday's broadcast for realsies. Where are you? Oh wait, there it is. There you are. It has a very nice transcript. Oh crap. Wrong one. Nope. There he goes. Got it downloaded. Let me add this here. It has a transparent, so of course it should be good. There it goes. There you are. Ah, there you are. Not that. That's sexy. But seriously, I will use this for Monday's broadcast and replace it with this one because this is pretty awesome. Love it. Awesome, actually. Transparent. You got there. You actually put up some good work. Good works. Let's see. Beep and a boom. Spooky. No, you didn't broke me. You didn't broke me, Twiley. You never did. You can't break me. The only way you can break me if you actually lose the game on Overwatch, which I fucking cannot beat this fucking hard mode, man. Oh my god, I keep fucking trying to actually get that to one fucking time. I almost got it. I fucking lost everything, and it was so fucking close that we actually lost by a fucking Roadhog. And that was the last man standing, and fuck, man. Fuck! Damn it! I'm gonna have to get back on that or sometime later this weekend because I really want to get that done. I want to get hard mode done so I can move on, and get over with it. I kind of want to just move on because I can't. I'm just a completionist right here. I just want to complete it. I'm a completionist. You know, I want to complete games with all the achievements. Hell, I got all the achievements for Gears 1 through 3 and Left 4 Dead 2, and of course, well, I still have to work on some, but my God, man. Excuse my French, guys, but fuck. That fucking game mode sucks. I always want to pick McCree. I'm always a better McCree person, you know. I'm pretty much want to play as Anna because nobody plays as a better... nobody plays Anna as much than me, and I do play her a little bit. But nobody does. Then I better... But, oh, Jesus Christ. Nobody picks Anna. Everyone picks offense, and somebody has to be medic. Jesus, man. Tough, I tell you. Normal and easy are just simple, easy games. Until you get to hard mode, yeah, that gets repetitive. Oh, Jesus Christ! But yeah, this weekend I'll do live stream for that. If anyone wants to actually, see my live streams for Overwatch, try to attempt to beat this on hard mode until I win it. And of course, I'll have a face cam on with that, my voice, and of course, reactions are in real time. So if anyone wants to join for that, just make sure you follow me on Twitter or just pretty much on this channel because it'll be up. I'm gonna have it up in the next 15 minutes or 30 minutes or so. But yeah, you change the color of the red hat. as a Ghost Bison's figure of Street Fighter. You don't even know. Nobody knows about the reference about the blue hat. That's actually General Flash. If you know your MOP for references from the show, yeah, General Flash wears a blue hat with a lightning symbol. But yeah, it's pretty awesome. But yeah, M. Bison for actually replacing that with the ears. That'd be awesome. Just saying, Twiley. Just saying. All right, guys. I am pretty much done here in this. Well, we're pretty much 15 minutes into me just making, talking to you, giving shout-outs, and just a little angry rant about my recent Overwatch. Still experiencing the issues, but I just want to say thank you, guys. Thanks again, guys, for coming out to the stream, and hopefully I'll see you guys next week. Next week for as always, same time, same place, same stream. Well, not same stream. We'll be on the same channel, but it's gonna be on a different stream. So do make sure you really are subscribing, or pretty much are following on Twitter. And once again, that Twitter again is at the Burning Network. Simple as that. All right, I am off, and I am pretty much done for the stream, and I guess that's it. So you guys can now enjoy yourselves, enjoy the weekend, enjoy your Baller Friday, and I will see you guys next Monday or on the next TCR broadcast. Okay. We will. Return by next time. Until then, I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye, guys. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye. What are you guys doing?